Yo, what's up, guys? How's it going right now? So I'm in about I don't know how big of a position I'm in. I think 9,000, $10,000. I'm in a long position right now for Dodge, and I'm not gonna talk about it like that right now because I don't have time for it. But this thing keeps making this gigantic trend line here, bull trap. This one goes all the way up, comes down here, takes a retracement. Kind of scary actually. Bounces off of there. Now it's trying to make a run to the upside. So I decided to put in 10K for a short little scalp here for who knows how much I can get. But it does look very bullish in my opinion. I'm probably going to close it right up there at the resistance at the 469 ranges here. 0.469. Well, that's 95 grand. I don't want to do that. 469. Yeah, like right around here at the resistance. I don't know if it'll get it up there, but it's getting very, very hard to trade this coin lately. You know, like it's the momentum is insane to for the bears right now. The bulls do not want to fuck around at all. Bulls are just getting shut down in every fucking way, left and right. It's just shitty right now, honestly. You don't want to be one of those people caught along like me, because it's not healthy right now. Trust me when I say this is not a good place to be. This is making like a descending type of triangle. It's fucking ugly right now. If you take a look at the descending type of triangle that it's forming in here, like it's just gonna shatter to the outside, right, or downside, right? So I only took this because it's a big risk in my opinion, right? I don't know if it's gonna come to the downside or not, but there's a good chance that it will, right? Unless this breaks out of here right now, it's gonna drop. So now the bulls are under an immense pressure right now. If you're taking a look at this, okay? So if that breaks up there, we're gonna it needs to break here too, right? And then we're gonna be pushing for 479. And if we close at 479, that's actually a wonderful profit. 0.0479, $490 profit. Oops, 0.0479. That's 500 American dollars of profit that if I close at just that right up there. So now we have to watch it very carefully and see if I'm right about this. I did enter for a reason. The 2 minute chart is just about to tick over. See? That's what gives it away for me that I think we might break out of there. And if we can hang on for literally just 2 more minutes, 2 more minutes, guys, and we're gonna skyrocket, I think, to a really decent amount here. Down $15 now. Bears are pushing to the downside. Fuck. Nerves are kicking in now, right? Nerves are kicking in a lot because this could turn into a pretty big fucking loss. Pushing to the downside, getting ready to market execute if we do fall. I don't think we're going to be able to hold on, guys. I don't know. See, the bulls are trying incredibly hard right now to give this one last push right here to go to the upside. This needs to really tick up. 2 minute chart histogram is just about to tick up here. See that? But it could be a fake out. It needs more time so badly. Like, it needs another 2 minutes to stall in there because the bears are trying to break it down. The MACD 2 minute chart's trying to swing over. So yeah, lots of stress right now about that. Here's the first resistance. There's the second one. Yeah, I'm not even gonna go higher than that. That's for sure. So I'm gonna delete all these guys for now. 462 ranges. Come on, give me a breakout. Yeah. Oh wow. Okay, we're breaking out. Are we? Are we breaking out right here? We might be. Up $95. Yes, we might be. 479 here. I'm gonna try to close at 478 even. More than that. Yes, we broke out, guys. Yes. Okay, now we have to really shatter this small little resistance here, which I don't think we will, to be quite honest. Okay, not yet right away. I mean, now we've kind of confirmed that this drop happened already, okay? This double bottomed here, that drop from the top. So now I'm going to target my 382 fib range. And that 382 Fibonacci range would end up being about 480. If assuming it even gets up there, like if it even does get up there, 482, I'm going to make a very generous profit off of that 1.0482. $558. Okay, I'm down for that. I'm very, very, very much so down for that. For like 80, we'll say for now. Like this, no doubt, it's gonna reach some sort of resistance here, right? I don't think it's just gonna smash through it. If it does, I'll be surprised. Oh wow, it does. It does. It's trying very hard right now. For 8, I'm just gonna put there. This was like $500 of profit. Okay, I'm gonna put a sell order right there. See if they try to puncture through it. So I entered this long position mainly. I didn't have time to talk about it, to be honest. It's not one of those things I would share with the public because it's just too risky. But I will give you guys learning lessons for it. So we're at a point where on a really low time frame right here, this ends up forming something like that. We had a descending triangle, points, 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 point there, but we ended up breaking to the upside, okay, instead, because we were trying to stall this 2-minute chart. This 2-minute chart needs to stall so badly, need a little bit more time there. And if it did have a little bit more time, the MACD was going to cross over. But on one side, this was doing this, and then on the other side, the bears were really trying hard to come to the downside, right? And the bears just ended up failing. It's one of those circumstances where the bears could possibly fail, right? So now we kind of broke above here a little bit. Now we want to push up to this particular green line up there. So I've got mine up there. I'm in a really good position actually. Up $265 already. One little push to the upside here, which is only about 2% more, and I'm going to be able to close my position for a $500 profit, which is great because I already took another $1,000 today to go spend. Actually, I took $1,000 because I wanted to pay myself back for that, for some other things that I bought earlier already. So I'm doing very, very well today. I'm already up 250 Canadian from the other one. And this one's got the momentum to go to the upside too. You see how it's swinging to the upside like that. I think it's reasonable to assume that we're probably going to get a break to the upside for here. And mine's going to be right at the open order of what here? Open order of 225,000 Dodge at 480. Okay, 480 is going to be my magical number. And see if it closes there. I'll be back. Now we're getting a little push to the upside here. Not the best momentum going up. It's very, very slow, and I don't like that at all. But it is nevertheless still getting higher highs. It's going up. So everything is trending perfectly right now. I don't have any complaints. It's at 473, at $365 right now. So everything's going great. Just calm down. We'll take profit soon. And here we are just coming up right there, taking profit. Almost. It's pushing up hard. There we go. It's going to 7.7s, 7.9s. I'm just going to take my profit here. Bam, guys. 450 American dollars. That's fucking awesome. Hi, guys. How's it going? So, like, you really can't tell people what to do in situations like this. Do you know what I mean? It's like you're just waiting there. You're waiting there. You're fucking waiting there. You can't just be like, oh, yeah, I'm going to take my sweet-ass time and tweet shit. You know what I mean? So this was a really easy profit there. Very, very fucking fast profit. Like, so fast. My God. I think it's going to, like, tank. I'm going to go to this 466, I guess. 206,914. I just market executed whatever the fuck I had in here that was reasonable. Because, you know, like, when you're just waiting here at the trend line resistance here, there's no way that anybody can really say anything to do, you know? You got to really kind of just be on top of it yourself and watch it and just learn from the experience, right? So I'm just going to go for like 4.7 right now. Actually, I'm just going to market execute $150. That was really, really fast, guys. Check this out. I entered the trade there at 20.35. So this was a 2.5 minute trade for $150. Super fast trade. So you once again, like, you just can't just, you know, like, you guys gotta up your skills up, man. Like, this is not a signals group. So I'm going to show you guys what I did here. You guys gotta really remember this ain't no signals group, man. It never was, it never will be, right? So this is like the most clear and obvious thing. I get mad because people are expecting me to post fucking trades. Yeah, I'll post it if it's relevant and if I think you guys can catch it, right? But I'm not gonna post a lot of basic shit like an ascending triangle that you guys should be watching out for yourselves, right? So notice my entry price right there. Entry price is 4878, something like that, right? 4878, which is kind of like right up there. You know what I mean? So it breaks down. So I'm going for that 1 or 2% scalp, definitely, right? And it's such a small margin for error that I simply cannot share this trade, because when I'm watching this right here, and it's so intense when I'm watching it on literally the 5-second chart, waiting for it to fucking break down, like, there's no way I'm gonna be like tweeting at the same time or posting my my thoughts when it's all about the trade. Anyways, bam, guys, I'm so up today already. You want to know how shit's going parabolic, man? This is kind of how, like, just choose a slope like that, right? Like, if you look on a different time frame, you just see it sloping like that. Like, let's say go to something like that, right? And you see it just getting fucking higher and higher. You see what I mean? So even from 2 relevant points, actually from 3 relevant points, right? 3 relevant points, you see that the slope is getting much higher and higher, meaning that it's going less to the right, as in over time, and more up. So it's going very, very fast, very, very high in a short period of time. Now, it doesn't mean that it can't tank any time, but just from the way it looks right now, it's definitely not even on my mind. It's like the furthest coin on my mind right now that I'd probably short, like for a big short. Look on the daily, it's like, fuck, this thing's got room, man. Like, you know, the fake out was kind of there already for a correction. So it seems like it's making one more final wave. Scary. Maybe soon, but you look on the 5-6 hour as well. 6 hours, like, whoa, it just skyrocketed. The first histogram really ticked up hard. The 4 hours is bullish as fuck right now. Like, really, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just trying to forewarn you guys that it's not something I wouldn't even touch within a 10-foot pole to short right now. You don't want to be shorting on a 4-hour candle like this. That's fucking like crazy. You know, like maybe on a low time frame you can time it for like a scalp, but I'm talking about for a big swing position. Ain't the time yet, guys. So here's how I gauge whether I go in or not. See, this is on the 1 minute chart, trying to break up here. I'm gonna probably buy it 4-5, 4-5, 4-5, right? Just waiting for the 4-5 mark to make sure I don't get bull trapped here, right? There's the 9-5 ranges. There's 9-5. It's coming up here. So I'm watching the level 2. It's spiking up. The volume's starting to pick up here. There's a gap in it right now. The volume picks up, but we're getting shot back down for the 4-4-8 ranges. See? You see this? Isn't that funny, guys? Yesterday I had $2,000 in this account. I grew it to 4 and I took out $800. So it was doubled in like less than, I think I like almost $4,500 right? So here we're at 4-8, right? See the 4, just the 2 digits right there, just those 2 right there. So it's really, really struggling to try to break it right now. If you guys have noticed for Dodge, okay? Very, very hard struggle right now. So it's still at the 4-8 ranges. It hasn't quite broken it yet, in my opinion. Actually, it has. I'm going. There's the 4-5 ranges. It's puncturing it right now. Did you see that? See, there's a big heavy wall there. That's actually very encouraging. It's very encouraging for people to buy upwards because we know that we just got to get over a hump. So watch it. Watch it get overcome here. 4-5. 4-5s are buying up. See, 4-5s are gobbling up. Ooh, it just got rejected. Back to the 4-5 ranges. See the 4-5s, 964, 99, 500 ranges. It's getting chipped away here. There's only 2 million left. There we go. It's shipping. So it's chipping right there. There, it's completely gone. And that's how you enter a motherfucking breakout. 101. Right there, okay? Now watch this thing go here. We're going to go for some targets, okay? This is obviously a clear resistance right here that we're at already. But because the volume is starting to pick up drastically, and because this is a very low time frame, I would probably expect that this is going to break out of it very nicely. Therefore, the first target will probably be right around here maybe, for a super, super easy scalp of about 1.5 to 2% there. Up $43, doing great so far. It's still slightly going up over there. I might just close this soon because it's looking a little bit bearish, but we'll see how it goes, okay? Alright guys, what's up, man? So I entered the short position here for alpha. I'm probably going to close it right around 270. Very quick scalp here for a few $100s. I've been waiting for this all night, actually. $170? What the fuck? That's such a lot of money. For such a fast position. I'm going to go for 270 here at 3,000. I'm playing about, I don't know, 10,000. Not that much. But this could drop way more. Like, what if this was actually the top? Like, the fucking very, very, very top for everything? You know what I mean? But not likely either, because this is most likely the first breakout. So this is the 1 to 2. This is most like the Subway's 1, 2. Actually, I don't even fucking know what this count could possibly be like. It's a very confusing count. I don't want to close it too earlier because what if I actually got the very top of this everything, right? So this is really, really getting on fire now, this trade. The drops are getting real. They are getting very real because it's just so intense how much this rallied. This is most likely a 1, 2. That's probably a 3 that's being formed in there, you know? 1, 2, and that's probably a 3 somewhere once again. So now we're just gonna go to like the lower time frame. Wow, this is really dangerous. That's very fucking dangerous right now. What's going on? Wow. Wow. You guys watching this right now? I don't really know where my target is because I'm gonna play it by reaction, right? But I think here it's gonna be a decent dump, right? So I gotta probably just close right now. Let's just go to 3-0 right here and close this. Okay, come on, give me a little tick down. I'm just right there. Now I don't got much, baby. And here we go to a pretty decent profit here. Nice. So it's only 500 left, so I'm gonna mark it, execute it, and bam, guys, that was quite a good trade. I think I made, what the fuck? I made I made $170 on this trade in about how many minutes here, guys? In 6 minutes, I made 170 American, which is like 210 Canadian. I used to make $200 Canadian a day as a mechanical engineer, and here I just fucking made it in 6 minutes. Just blows my mind. Yo, how's it going, guys? So I'm playing on the 5-second chart. I literally see it just getting fucked up here. There's a lower high, there's a lower high. So I decided to enter a short position from 82. It's not even up much or anything like that. And also, it doesn't look like it's actually finished yet. Looks like this is just like basically 1, 2, that's 3, 4, and there's a 5 coming up, right? So it might even just test like 78. I didn't even play much. I only played like 5K or something like that. So nothing crazy. Looking up here, like you gotta look at it in the big picture, right? Like this looks like it's 1, 2. All of that is most likely 3 and 4. Actually, let's go to this one. Okay, 1, 2. This is most likely 3, 4, and that's most likely a 5 in there that's forming, right? So we're looking for basically just this particular formation, see what the fuck this is. And in my opinion, that's probably like, yeah, I'll break it down further. It's most likely a 1, 2, and a 3, and a 4 is forming, I think. So it's actually really confusing. I don't think I want to short it yet, actually, when I think about it. It's just too bearish. I might just take my little shitty fucking profit here, and that's it for now. It's going to 813, 816, see that? 817, 812, 810, okay. Well, looks a little bit heavy right here. Very, in terms of wanting to drop to the downside, but whatever, it's not going to do that much. It's $30 right here that I'm up only. 813, 816, 818. Decent. It's definitely trying to push to the upside right now, so I'm not even enter this trade. Okay, I was wrong. Well, sometimes I'm gonna scale in and out. That didn't even put a dent in me. It broke out even. So we're gonna try again. So now I think I'm confirmed that this is the 1, 2. There's a 3 in there. 4 is gonna form in a 5. So I'm looking at shorting around. I don't fucking know. Maybe 290, $3 for sure. It's a fairly psychological number. So I'm just going off of pure price action right now. Yeah, this could be a very scary coin. So I'm not going to take any chances until I get confirmation. When I enter the short, it's going to be seconds away from the top. And I'm going to be looking for it very, very diligently. But now's not the time yet. I don't think it is, at least. Okay, I'll keep you guys up to date. Alright, so this is kind of an interesting setup right now here, okay? I might actually go long on here. Actually, I'm going to go long right in front of you guys. I already went in for $3,000. I think I'm going to long this. The reason why I've been waiting for this, actually, the reason why is because of this support right here. Right, support right there. The channel is also forming, which implies strongly that there could be like a 1, 2, 3, maybe a 4, just this whole region, you know what I mean? And then one more touch up there for a 10% for a 10-cent gain per coin. I'll up mine up right here to a tiny bit more. So now I'm only in a tiny position. I'm in it for only half of what I have in here. So I'm in it for like $5,400. I can double up if I want to. There's a lot more to go. But I don't know if I will yet, because I don't know if there's going to be an exact bounce. This peak is crossing over right here, so that does give me the worries. But as it stands right now, we are getting these types of series of dojis, right? Very, very doji candles. And this right here did take a while for it to break out of. It took about 1 hour, so you're going to find some sort of support. And I don't see the fifth wave forming. Do you guys? Exactly, I don't see it quite yet. That means where the fuck is the fifth wave? There's got to be a fifth wave, right? So that little one right there, I think is finishing up the 5. And this over here is actually finishing up the third wave. So I think that in here somewhere, literally, that's the 3, right? That whole structure is a 3. So now I'm wondering to myself, where the heck is the 1 and the 2? If that's a 3, and how's it counted? So a little confusing to me, in my opinion. But I think this is a very nice trade setup that's gonna probably do really well. So I don't know where the heck it is. I know that's the 3 up there. Something like a 1, 2, 3, and then I gotta measure with my trend-based fib extension just to make sure that it does at least get a 1-on-1. Yeah, so this one here, wave 3, is actually tall. It's bigger than wave 1 here, and so that's the 5. So that means that's a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's the 5 being formed up there right now, which is the scary part, right? So that's the 5 being formed, or sort, yeah, the 5 being formed. So now you gotta wonder where the fuck is the 1 and stuff. Oh, excuse me for swearing a lot. You really can't help it sometimes. So let's check out the 1-minute chart here. This looks like a pretty decent collection of coins, or a collection of bullish confluent reasons that wants to go up soon. I think that's going to curve up soon, this little guy right there. Maybe. So now we got to wonder where the heck is the 1. 1, 2, and that's a 1, 2, 3, right? You know what I mean? Probably. So that seems to make sense, right? Where somewhere in here, that's the break. That's the break, right? So that's probably a 1, 2, and that's probably all the 3s somewhere in there right now. So I must be very, very patient and very diligent and must wait for all of this to form. This is a fairly decent position in my opinion. Still breaking to the downside though, it looks like, but it looks more as well like it can just hover down over here. Yeah, this looks good. I'm confident right now that we're gonna at least get that. This 2% scalp at least. So I'm gonna go for fucking, I guess, $100. I mean, wouldn't it make sense? It's up to you guys. But realistically, I'm gonna aim for higher than that. That's the setup. Something like that. Stop is up to you guys. At least 1%, I'd say, or above below the channel. 1.5%. I'm posting this right now. I'm posting this. Give me a second, guys. I'm making that exact same hit that I was talking about, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 to the channel down there. And I think the 5 will probably go below the 1 to 1 over here because this wave is actually shorter than that wave. And that can happen all the time in channels. So I decided to take a Fibonacci extension right there to here. And I know it's going to be about less than a 1 to 1. It must be less than 1 to 1. And the reason must be is because, once again, this wave 3 is actually smaller than this wave 1. So by rules, wave 3 cannot be the shortest. It's often the longest, so it must be smaller than wave 5. Therefore, we wait around to see what this kind of retracement this will get up to. Realistically, it'll get up to here first. Like, this will be a miniature resistance. And then ups after, yeah, this will be a miniature resistance right here, man. And then you got that one too, right? So I'm gonna close mine probably higher. I don't know. 83 is decent profit. 2.83 is decent, but I don't really want to go for $183, man. I want to go for a little bit more. I think it's gonna break above there, probably like right away. No problem at all. Yeah, I'm just gonna close at 283. Fuck it. 280 fucking 4. We'll just see how it goes. See how the price action goes, okay? So here, let's take a look here very quickly. 81.25 to 24 ranges. We're just gonna narrate this. Okay, 24 here. Big walls that are showing up there, but they just got cracked. They got cracked like a fucking pinata. Okay, like a pinata. No joke. It was really, really quick here how it just ended up. I'm up $100 really easily already. This should want to crack to the upside there. I don't think it got trapped, you know. It's going to go up because it took, this one here was a resistance for about 15 minutes and it broke it. So it's going to snap out of that one there. It might even range in here for a little, but I really doubt it. So let's see how this plays out. Okay, see, we get the rejection here because we break past the resistance. Doesn't want to come back down here. There we go, poking to the upside. A little bit of a reversal there. Small. I'm just gonna go 3.5 or something like that. You know, like actually, I'm just gonna go 3. Fuck it. Tired. I'm really tired today, guys. Let's just go 3 here and see if we can catch anybody at the top. See how that goes. 283, right? To 2 ranges, 2-1 right here, 2-3. A lot of people are selling off here, 315 buys. People are just selling off 1-1. See that? Slow, buying 42. 82 here now is where it closed off. Let's see, get a little bit of a spike here, get some activity. The volume is starting to really dwindle right now, if you're noticing, okay? So we're getting definitely a change right now in the momentum slowly. Volume's kind of waning off tiny bit. There's a good push up, and here's my close coming up. And bam, guys, just about to close my position. That's my wall. Pretty big walls that are stacking up there. Let's see if people are buying it. Nope, they're not buying it. Whatever, I'll close it. $130. That's not bad, right? Not bad. That's fucking easy money, man. That's $160 Canadian. Just keeps adding up and adding up and adding up, you know? So I'm on fire today already. I'm fucking on fire, right? Like literally on fire right now. That was a fucking perfect call. Bam. So I go to Airbnb a lot. I like going to Airbnbs just to kind of get like a vacation away from a vacation. I think in the past 2 years I've gone, or since I started, it's been about 2 years now. You can say 2 years and 2 months. I've been to about, I think, 35 Airbnbs now, and I just like to rent them because it's just so easy to have like a kind of getaway inside of the city. This is the one I rented for my lady and I for Valentine's Day because we just wanted something different. This one's really wicked. Check it out. So we just rented. We like to do things like this all the time, right? It can get kind of expensive because it becomes like, two, three, $400 a night. But once in a while, it's okay to do that. So we got this fucking wicked ass place. So nice. Reminds me of my old apartment, but the condo that we got is like 3 times nicer. We're kind of in between right now because we're just taking a look at. Sorry, we're moving everything, right? So we're gonna have boxes upon boxes like fucking everywhere. So we can't really have a nice Valentine's Day together anywhere we are. So yeah, that's gonna be a really cool place. Anyways, just some of the things I do. Bought a fucking watch today, like a $450 watch, just to kind of like, just to have something more casual to wear. I don't like to wear my Rolex all the time, right? That I bought like a shit ton of stuff from Amazon, like shampoos and stuff like that. So even though some days I'll make like 1,000, I'll probably spend like half of it like right there, you know? So it's kind of funny. Okay, guys, my pre-workout's like kicking in right now, so I gotta go. But I want to give you guys this fucking count, okay? Pay up, pay attention, watch it like 5 times if you guys need to. Okay, so this is the first count. We know that this is a 1 in here, guaranteed, right? That's a 2, and this whole thing is a 3, 4. That's making a 5. And we know that this here is a 1, subway is 1, because this breaks out to be more than 1 to 1. Therefore, our logic is right that this here is basically a 3, 4, and 5, which makes a third wave up, right? Done. Agreed. Therefore, we look at here and we say most likely this is a 1, a 2, where the fuck is the 3, right? And the 4 and the 5. We don't know yet. So we go to, holy crap, it's kicking in so hard right now. I gotta go work out, guys. I'm gonna go, today's kind of like, I'm doing a full compound today. And I'm gonna run for like 10 kilometers today. I'm trying to lose a lot of weight because I always get weight in my belly. Fuck, it's annoying. So anyways, and my girlfriend's like way too sexy compared to me. So I'm like, okay, I gotta up my game a little bit here. You know what I'm saying? Shit. So this is a 1, 2 probably, right? And now we gotta figure out where the fucking 3 is somewhere in here. We don't really know where it is at all. So we're like, is this 3 somewhere in there? Maybe. This is a Subway's 1, 2. And this is probably a Subway's. So think of it like this. This is probably a 1, and this is probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So we're so far off from finishing. This is my count. You guys know what I mean? So like don't think about the price or the time or anything, okay? Just think of it like that. And then when you make the subwaves in here, you're seeing a 1, 2, 3, and a 4 and a 5. I'm not going to change the degree. You guys know what I mean? So we see a subway is 1 in here only, then 2. So this is most likely a 1, 2, 3, and the 4 is forming. 4 is probably going to hit nowhere below, I think above 260 will be a support. If it falls below there, actually if it gets to like really low to like 240, counts invalid. But I'm banking on about 255, 260, and then we finish that wave. And then we're actually going to correct the entire wave 3. And then the 4 comes down, and then we make a 5, I don't see any other way to see this. Do you guys? Okay, give me your alternate counts. Let's go. All right, so I decided to start trading alpha. Actually, I decided to long it right now. I'm gonna buy a little bit more. Okay, I decided to long it quite a bit actually. I'm like spiking it up right now because on the 1 minute chart here, got a pretty bullish candle, which means not a lot of volume. But what it does mean is that the liquidity is starting to dry up, and not a lot of people are actually selling it. Or sorry, not a lot of people are selling it, so it's spiking up really quick in a short period of time, which is actually pretty decent, right? That candle was a 1.5% candle right there. So now I think we're gonna go for a tiny little movement to the upside there. So I'm going for a little scalp. So we do the 1, 2, 3, 4. This is probably the 4 in here already, actually. Okay, to be honest, it might very well be. If not, it's gonna at least retrace that small amount there, and then we make a 5. But it's at the 382. It's at a very relevant support right now that I really like. Okay, we see this support right in here. So why the fuck would you not want to long it? This is the lowest point in the candle itself. This is yielding a huge higher low, right? The MACD is about to cross over with a gigantic tick on the histogram. The 1 minute is also bullishly diverging there. It ticks back up to the upside. The 30-second is ticking up to the upside as well. The 15-second is ticking to the upside. The 5-second is about to go down actually. So let's see if this actually ends up going to the downside, or will we fake it out? Let's take a look here. Just watch this. Okay, we didn't come down. Is it going to reverse and come back? Nope, 2 ticks now, 2 ticks now. Is it going to come back, or the bull's going to be fighting? Nope, the bull's hovering right there. The bears are definitely trying to push it to the ground. Bears are pushing a little bit lower right now. Bears are pushing a tiny bit lower. Come on, just give me a few ticks upwards and we're going to be good. It's staying very neutral here. There we go. There's that 1 tick up. Do you guys see that? Here, let's just analyze. Oh, that was a little push down there. Bulls come back to the recovery. They're trying to push it back up to the positive side. Bears push down. Okay, let's see what happens here. This should give us a slight decline. What I'm expecting is something like that, maybe. Then we go to the upside. The MACD will most likely go to the upside as well. Ticking down here still a little bit, right? We're getting to a resistance. So here, check this out, okay? Yeah, that's a really nice bullish pin bar that we just got here. The 2-minute chart is the one that gives it away the most. Here we go. Here we're working on it, right? So you see this right here. You see this MACD ticking up. The 2-minute chart is about to cross over there with 35 seconds left to go, okay? 35 seconds left to go here. Now watch what happens. Watch what happens as it gets closer to here, okay? So now we're about 687, 688 now. Wow, okay, so 20 seconds until the MACD crosses over. You guys are gonna see firsthand what kind of stuff it does, okay? I really gotta start working out, honestly, fuck. But you guys are very important to me, fuck. So I gotta get on this right now too. So then we're getting fudgesicle sticks, you know? Might end up getting something like that, which we're clearly seeing already. So we do need a push to the upside. I'm only up $49 right now. I don't want to be up this little. I want to be up a lot more. But this does look like how it dropped. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's probably the 5 down here. Down the 5 down there. So we're going to get a retracement of this entire structure only. And then the B and then the C comes down. So a very relevant target would probably be about 270.5, 2.7. 2.7, where was that again? 705.05. Let's sell how many? 2500 alpha. Okay, right there. What is that gonna make us here? 2.705, $90, whatever. It's not much. I'm not playing big, I'm only scalping, but it keeps adding up, doesn't it? Like shit. There we go. It's starting to penetrate this right here, right? It's not really a longer term support or anything, but it looks like it's giving it a go, that's for sure, right? It'd be amazing if we actually ended up completely breaking to the upside and getting some higher highs, but I don't know if that's going to really happen quite yet. Fuck, man, pre-workout makes me like just rawr. You know, I know it does that for everybody. I don't like it personally, but because it reminds me kind of like a cocaine. And I don't like to be around that shit, so here we go, breaking to the upside finally. This is the resistance right here. You see it? This is the resistance exactly where I'm at. 100 here, 100 there, 100 every fucking where. That's how it is, right? Okay, I will come back to commentate on here soon. Alright, so I decided to go into that long, right? After VET ended up, or sorry, Alpha started dropping hard. Okay, so I got my major counts here, as you guys know already, right? I got major counts. I got on the lower time frame here, we're going with a 1, 2. At the subways, 1, 2, 3. That's the 4 pretty much right here. That bounces off of that support. And then now there's a 5 in the making. And I just want to get a quick scalp here because I'm actually going to be working out right away. So we're just going for like a super easy $130 Canadian profit right here. So I can just get out. Yeah, I already took my pre-workout, so I'm like raw right now, you know? So just want to close this. I'm trying to help out the group right now. And there was a really good opportunity to long it because if you look on a very low time frame, okay, I apologize for the mess just because of my Elliott waves. Notice the green line, it shows a very valid support right there. Okay, shows a very valid support. It's also at the 382 fib level of just that wave 3. So you take just wave 3 right there, okay, and you actually see it at 382 right there, okay, 382. Whoops. Yeah, 382 there. So now my target is 382 and the position's closed. Bam! Fucking $100. That's crazy. That's crazy that I grew this account fucking yesterday. From 2,000 to about $5,000 already, like maybe 5.5. And I took out like, I don't know, like $1,500 already and just went shopping or shit like that. I'm getting really good at doubling and tripling accounts in like 1 day or 2. Holy shit, man. What a fucking good trade. So that was for 130 Canadian dollars in like just a few short minutes, which puts me today at like, I don't know what I'm at, man. I'm at $1,540 Canadian today in a very short period of time. That was such a good trade to take. Guys, you got to take the trades, right? You got to do your Elliott wave count, first of all, to know what structure you're taking the Fibonacci retracement off of, which happens to be just that structure over there, right? And we happen to bounce right at the 382 level. And once you do that, right, and you see these relevant supports, well, that's up to you guys to enter or not, right? You get a big wick that pokes directly down there and it rejects a big percentage, so why not have done it? Bam! Yo, what's up, guys? So, fuck, that was a pretty crazy bounce, right? I shorted it like almost near the support. Again, I should not ever trade when I'm working out, honestly. Like, I'm done working out now, though, but I'm still a little bit jacked up from it, you know what I mean? So, I see this descending triangle that's forming, right, guys? And you gotta zoom back. Okay, I think the 10-minute chart's really nice to draw it. See this? I think it's gonna make some symmetric triangle in there. Or it's gonna fall right down right now. One or the other. I don't know which one it's going to be. It's trying to break its ass up there so badly right now. I hope that it fails because I am short, of course. But you never know. This one's got a way higher RSI. Right? Way higher RSI than that one, this one, and that one. This one and that one. That implies hidden bearish divergence. That it's going to come down more. So I'm just kind of eyeing this out right now for like a quick 1% scalp, like on a, I don't know, like $100 position or something like that. But if it breaks to the downside, then that's wicked, right? We're going to be very, very profitable. If not, then we're going to, you know, probably take a pretty big loss. But overall, I think it's pretty close. I have no idea what the heck it's going to do, to be quite honest. It really wants to break down. Like this is nice and all, how that looks. Like all of that. But what it comes down to is probably more like that, right? It's more like that, I say, in my opinion. A descending type of triangle with just many, many peaks. Like this one's kind of rough, but I'm talking about pretty much this region right there. That's been going on for an hour something now. Yeah, an hour and a half. Yeah, okay, sorry. It's my mind wandered again right now. So I'm not even in a bad position or anything right now at all. If this does break the downside, phenomenal, you know, like it's going to be a really big gain. So I can't really go take a shower right now, even though like I just worked out. So I'm going to just kind of chill and wait around here to see how this plays out. But this does look like it wants to break down. It really does. It's just got that momentum to break down on, I think, the 3 hour. Yeah, here's the 3 hour just crashing right here. Ooh, and that's in a little bit, right? The 90-minute chart is just bearish. It's like everything is bearish right now. It doesn't look really good. My entry is 448 or something like that. Like it's not even that big. I'm playing 10,000 right now about. Pretty small. Well, actually, that's kind of like normal, whatever. Usually I'm like playing 5 or 10, but this is reasonable to me. If this ends up dropping, I'll be pretty happy about it. So here's 4-4. Yeah. This does not look like it's gonna break above it, to be quite honest. Okay. So I'm just gonna go for my quick $100 scalp here, and then just call it a, and then go take a freaking shower. To be honest. Okay. This is a descending triangle for sure. Like I don't know, people are drawing it in different ways that I'm noticing. Okay. Like the people are definitely doing that, such as this or whatever. Like I don't like that at all. It's not a symmetric triangle to me. It's a descending triangle, and this is starting to prove it right here. Where if it does fall down, it's going to be fucking catastrophe, and that's a big gain. Really big gain. I'm talking about this particular trade here. I feel really good right now, guys. I worked out so freaking hard today. Fuck yeah. Every time you work out hard, man, it feels just very satisfying. Super happy right now about everything, man. I feel so fucking healthy. I'm not drinking. I'm not even smoking weed, guys. You guys know I quit weed? Like, fuck it. That's crazy, right? Like, shit. That's amazing. Is this a bullish flag? No, don't bullish flag me up. I don't like that at all. But you know what? That looked like a bullish flag, sort of, and I just got smoked. That was 448. Oh yeah, I'd already got to my point of profit, right? Or break even at least. I only want to do bad things to do. But you can't explain it. It's complicated. I'm sorry, I'm just singing a song. It's this song here. I knew you would. See this? I don't know how it's gonna play out. Fuck. I hope it just breaks down, to be honest. I don't really have the patience for this. It's getting so close to a possible breakout, though, that makes me nervous. I'm just gonna take my loss right here. Fuck it. I'm too tired. I wanna actually just go take a shower. Fuck, I took a small loss. I don't care. Yo, what's up, guys? How's it going? Man, okay, so I just got out of the shower. I apologize if I look like shit. I'm in my fucking underwear, nor do I give a shit right now. So, yeah, man, my tattoos hurt so much. They're scabbing pretty badly. Ah! So I decided to enter Acro because someone brought it to my attention, and I just decided to market execute. I don't know, like 150,000. And I like it because it's kind of like around the same price range as Dodge. So the math in my head is like getting pretty easy. So, yeah. Let's take a look at this, guys. Oh no, you guys see me on big screen. I don't want that shit. I don't care that I'm so casual around you guys. You know what I'm saying? So we see this big support here right now, right? So we're like, okay, is it gonna break out of here? Is it gonna hold? What the fuck is it doing? I don't really know. No idea whatsoever. So then we take a look at it. We see like 5 waves are pretty much in for this. Okay, 5 waves are in, guaranteed, I think. So because 5 waves are in already, I think that's time to be giving it a nice little short go at it. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Somewhere here is a 1. You know what I mean? Somewhere in there is a freaking 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. That's 5 right there, up there. So now, if that were the 5 waves, then I'm gonna take my fib retracement range for something like that, right? And then I'm gonna take my profit right at the 4926, and I'm gonna post this right. Okay, so now my close is coming up right now. I'm gonna close it right like in a few seconds here at 495. 495, maybe right here. I'm just gonna take the quick $100 maybe, because I don't know how this is gonna go. Oh, see, there's a lot of pressure going to the upside. That's something I don't like right now. I haven't even looked at anything more than this right now. Honestly, like I'm just thinking this is an ABC somewhere in there, right? Like I don't know what the fuck that is. That's fucking ridiculous. That little wick up there. Not cool at all to be trading coins like this that have that much wicks, right? Because they're heavily manipulated. So because they're heavily manipulated, I'm not really interested in looking at these coins too much right now. I see this has only gone up 382 already, and it's getting already blocked pretty hard, right? So now let's see what kind of momentum we get to the downside. 15 minutes going up. Every coin's kind of going up right now. right? But we do see this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possibly already done. So I have to be led to believe that it's like a good scalp opportunity here, just for like a short while at least. Right now we're gonna probably see it spike up a little bit here. I'm guessing I can add more to my position if I want though. But I think this is pretty bullish. Like I don't know why I'm actually shorting it. I'm down a little bit already now. But I think that this is gonna get a correction still. Like this is not like not even close to getting that this wave particularly done if I'm right, right? Like if that's hold on, I'm looking for I'm so tired actually now. It hit me like a brick. I can't even find the Fibonacci retracement tool. That's how tired I am. So this didn't even get to the 1-to-1. So you know this is not an impulse wave going upwards, right? Definitely not an impulse wave going up. Yeah, okay. I shorted it so prematurely that I don't know if I want to even stay here in a short. Oh wow, I lost 200 bucks already. What the fuck? That was so fucking fast. So I really do have to give this a little bit of time. Like this looks very bullish, right? Super bullish. But you never know, like it can come down like any second now. Oh shit, man. I should have taken my fucking $100 profit and just go to sleep because I'm tired. But we are facing a mighty resistance right there that I don't think we're going to end up cracking. So because of that, Philcon, hang the fuck tight. You never know, right? Like this is pretty mighty resistance here that we see. We got to get some sort of downtrend to the downside, I think. Let's just say I even take just this tiny little thing right there. Okay. Even if I go like that on the downtrend, like that's a 49, right? I'm calming me down a little bit now. So this is the 382. That's the point. This is 382 line. That's the 0.5. MACD RSI is like kind of bullish right now. Actually double topped on the RSI in the 3-minute. Okay, it's trying very hard to break to the upside there. Down $237. Not that much. I'm only playing a little bit, right? I'm not playing a lot. I'm not even playing 10K right now. Okay, this is very bullish. I'm out. I don't think this is going to break up. Like that candle kind of said it was going to break down, but it didn't. So now if this breaks to the upside, volume is really fucking picking up right now. Like picking up hard. But you know what? We're at a major resistance, so I'm not really that worried. I'm going to add more to my short actually. But you know what? It's so bullish on that green candle that I'm like, why would I want to add more to my short, right? So now we're pushing at the resistance here, pushing hard, pushing hard, pushing hard, pushing hard, breaking through it, breaking through it. I take my loss here, $345 loss. Wow. I'm done tonight, guys. I'm not trading. That's when I know that I'm making mistakes, right? I'm making mistakes. Yeah. I'm just ridiculous for shorting that. Like, I just came into it. I saw it really overextended. I thought it was 5 waves. Clearly, I'm in the wrong. And that's a really good moment for me to walk away, right? Normally, people would just sit on that shit and just let it ride. But I'm not one of those people. So think of it like this, okay? I'm up like fucking 12... I'm up like $1,300 Canadian today. I'm not going to worry about one little loss. You know what I mean? I'm going to be happy with like $1,700 profit still. And that's the mentality that you guys should all have. Do you know what I mean? And the mentality is just take your fucking loss and be happy with your profit over time, right? That's how it is always. And we have to be really understanding that I look at myself right now and I say to myself, holy fuck, Philcon, you win a lot of trades. One small trade is not going to set you back. Because tomorrow I'm going to keep winning and I'm going to keep winning more and I'm going to keep losing. And I think the best traders, they actually know how to take a fucking loss. Like even though right now it might look like it's coming down, and it could, but that's irrelevant. The point is we minimize how much we can lose. We have to turn never let a small loss turn into a catastrophic one. And if you know how to take a loss, and this is actually a really good example, if you guys know how to take a loss, you're going to be able to protect your capital over time. So be fucking happy with what you've lost. right? Because you didn't lose it all, and just be grateful for that. Because I think over time, you guys are going to definitely profit if you know how to protect your capital so you can preserve it and then grow it. So anyways, how to take a $350 loss, bam. There's just so much hesitation to come down right now, but I wanted to so bad. I'm going to try to close at 5.3, 5.3 something here, 5.375, 5.4. Yeah, I try to close that 5.4 right here, okay, guys? I enter another short. This might be very well the top, you know that? Like the very, very, very actual top. So if I caught the very top, it's going to be a wild, wild fucking drop. And this one here just dropped to 5.44 in a few seconds already, right? So I can't be looking at this stupid ass time frame right now. I need to be looking out on a very low time frame. And this here could very well be, I don't know where the fuck it is. That could only be the third wave. 1, 2, 3. I don't know. Fuck, I have no idea what wave count this is. We're going to be trading this pretty much just purely on price action right now. Ay, ay, ay. This coin is just so frustrating. Like, it's the momentum is just, wow. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Momentum's breaking up again. Are you fucking serious? Ah! Nope, it's not breaking up yet. Not yet. Not exactly yet. That's why I'm kind of like out of it right now because I just finished working out and my mind's kind of somewhere else right now. Is you breaking up, fucker? Are you serious? Wow, that's just ridiculous. Wow. Where are you going? Oh my gosh. It's going to the 618. Like, it's really going to the 618. So I'm going to add more. I probably shouldn't, but you know what? This is right at the 618 range, so I want to get into a fucking crazy position right now. And I'm not going to... Actually, this is good enough for now. Like, I'm not even down a lot. Down $234. Let's get some RR in here right now. I mean, we know for a fact that if I did that, okay? If I did that, then, you know, then now it's at a lower one, but here it gets closer to 618. So I'm going to keep it the lowest point, I guess. Actually, I'll do it right there. That's a pretty decent one to be drawing it at now. One more wave up, I think. Like, I'm not kidding. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5 upwards. That means that close, very, very, very close to the end, I think. Like, it just has so much trouble going up still now. Damn, this is a very, very tough candle here. I'm gonna actually add more. I don't see it going upwards anymore. I just don't see it going up. See, over the past 3 minutes, these wicks here have been forming and they're fucking crazy. So therefore, it's probably gonna go down, in my opinion, a lot. This is it. This is the break. This is the break right here. Yeah, this is the break. For sure it is. I'm gonna go for 4% for 4.375 or 5.3. If I go to 5.3, what do I get there? 0.53. $646. It's not bad. Actually, let's go for 5.3, 5.25. Whew. But okay. No. You guys fuck, my mind's not here, man. I'm still like in the workout mode right now and kind of chilling and eating mood, you know? So this is the entire count, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? If that were the entire count there, then we gotta go to a lower region right there, the 5.375. And let's just see what kind of profit we're gonna make off of this. Actually, let's go to 5.2. 5.2 is gonna be huge profit. Yeah, 5.3. Sorry, 5.3. Right there. See that? Do you guys see that? Now it's gonna do that 5.3. Okay, I'm gonna go for my buy right here. Here we go. This is gonna be a $700 profit. This is gonna be a massive profit if it closes here. Let's go. 0.53. Oops. $646. I'm down for that. Come on. Give me that close, baby. No, fuck you. Fuck, man. Shit, this could be 1, 2, 3, and then there's more. Jesus Christ. I was up a lot. It's up 4 fucking percent right there. See, like, it's so annoying. Like, ugh. But don't worry, that's only the B going to the upside, right? So this is my RR. Like, I'm sorry for not posting it in my head for you guys enough, right? Like, I'm probably just gonna take my stop. Like, if I lose this one, I'm probably gonna, it's gonna be a big fucking hit if I lose it, to be quite honest, because it's so volatile. But I want to keep at least like a decent 1-to-1. You know what I'm saying? We see a lot of people selling right now. Lots of people. They got this inverted pin bar right there that's pushing to the downside, right? Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, push it down. Just a tiny bit more, you know what I'm saying? But this would actually be a really reasonable support. 51. If I put it at 51, 0.051, that's a $1,000 profit. I might even go to 51, okay? Never know. But that's alright, I don't mind. Going to this one here as well. Okay, here we go. It's coming up. It's coming up, fuck. Come on, baby. Just fucking come on. It's so close, you guys. You know what I mean? Like, it's so freaking close to hitting my target here. There, that's the kind of wave that I'm playing, I think. I think I'm playing like kind of that. You know, if that were it right there, 5-2 something is what I'm playing it at. And no, not working out right now at all. So in the lower time frame, it's so volatile that, like, you know, you're gonna go through all these. Just stick to the RR. Like, that's a really good, decent setup right here. I look on the 1-minute chart. It's definitely wanting to come down hard right now. Yes! Curvature comes to the downside now. So this is a very good place to be, in my opinion. I'm at 5-3, right? Yeah, we go. There we go. 5-3 is coming up here. Trying again. It's making like a bearish type of flag with a bearish engulfing candle. This is nice. Alright, so, you know, it might seem like I'm an emotional trader, but really what's going on is I'm just kind of entertaining you guys, but I got this shit together, you know? Sure, I'm getting disappointed and more like narrating and commenting on what's going on with it, but it's more like for fun, I hope you guys know. So here is going to be a really big profit coming up here, okay? I don't think it's going to get to that exactly. I'm going to see first, okay? I'm going to see. Now I'm at $600 profit. You guys see this shit? Let's go fix 633. Let's just do it. Let's just take a fucking $600 profit right now, guys. What do you think, huh? $600 profit? Right here? Right here? Bam! Oh, I just took a $600 profit. Motherfucker! Not bad, right? Shit, man. Did you guys just see that? Not bad. I'll take that fucking any day, man. Woo! Baby! No, 570 American dollar profit. Fuck yeah. Woo! Feel really, really good, guys. There's gonna be a bounce soon, I know it. And I'm gonna try to play this fucking bounce, man. I'm gonna go to 5-second chart and I'm gonna try to scalp the shit out of this. This is probably it right here, the bounce. Oh! And I'm right! 2% spike up. Of course it's gonna bounce to the 382. Just give me another one. Just give me another one. No, 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 no. Here. Look, right here. Right? You're gonna see this kind of descend into here. Let's see if it's gonna have a reaction right over here. There. Right? That's going to be a decent reaction. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see that? You got to be that fast. I was just going to say this is the bounce, right? And I fucking missed it by 4% because I made so much money there. Do you guys like how I closed my short position right there? Right before it spiked up? That's fucking skill, man. Bam! I actually lost $350 last trade and I made $600 back this trade. So I don't really care about a loss. Bam, guys. All right, really fucking fast, okay? You see this right here? I don't have time. I'm trying to get you guys in on this. I hope I don't fuck it up by missing it. See that? Obviously relevant. Go after this from the breakout, right? From the whole structure, whatever the fuck that may be. I'm guessing this one right here, right? I'm just guessing it's probably that whole structure. Because if I do that to here, that does at least a 1-to-1. Actually, fuck, I don't know. Yikes, right? That could be 1, 2, that could be 3, 4, there's 5 going up. Either way, I'm going to take this fib structure right here. Like where this support zone is in here. Okay. near the 0.5, etc. Right in there somewhere. I'm gonna wait. Maybe it's gonna even bounce like close to right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like it could very well be already. I don't know if I want to buy it yet though. Like, but anyways, like there's a really relevant zone. Maybe I'm just gonna nibble right now. I'm gonna nibble, just a tiny bit, like a super small amount. You see that? 50K worth only. And then I don't know if it's really gonna bounce, but you know there's still a lot of clearance for it to drop to the lower side, right? So I'm really taking a chance here. I don't think it's gonna bounce like not right here probably, but it is at the 200 EMA on a very low time frame, which I don't think is very significant at all. I think we're gonna probably end up trending to this lower end right here, to the around the 0.5 Fibonacci level, right? And then if that actually ends up happening, then basically we're gonna take this fib structure wherever it is, and then we're gonna, you know, our RR, which is gonna be amazing. It's possible for a nice 5% scalping up, right? So I'm looking forward to it. I'm gonna buy another 50 because I'm just liking the price action a lot. Price action is really dictating that there's a possible bounce coming up here, right? So then the RR just goes something very simple for a long position. Like let's just say like right there, for example, even if it goes up, right? And we'll take this down here actually lower. So then this goes up to the 382 range, and this kind of goes down to over here. So it's kind of a decent trade in my opinion. Okay, definitely a decent trade. So there we go. I'm gonna try to post this right now. I don't know if this is the actual one where it's gonna bounce, but my range is to drop all the way to the 0.5. So I'll post this. Whoa, and it actually just spikes right up. $80 already. So fast. So fucking fast. I guess I was right about this, guys. Amazing, right? Okay, so now let's clear all this shit up. We know that we got decent bounce. It's probably gonna hit this support right up there. Like 5.3. Oh my god, that's a bearishly engulfing candle. Or try to be. So we don't know exactly where it's gonna be, but this is could be a 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a 5 going. The momentum is going to the upside already, if you guys have noticed. We're looking really good across the board though, okay? The bulls are stepping in. Not really at all, actually. Yeah, they are. They're stepping in for sure, right? There's a gap there now. So I'm going to buy more. I think I like this price action, but I'm going to buy nibble. 10,000. Anybody else buying? Yeah, a lot of people are buying there. This guy's buying 22,000, 22,000. Lots of people are selling. Oh, that's a big green wall. Keep buying. Buying on strength right there. Buying on strength. More people are buying. All right. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's a big wall. 5-3, 5-3, 5-3, 4-2, 4-2, 5-2, 5-5. Nice. 6-7. Yes, kids. So it's getting kind of nice right now. Bulls are certainly stepping in. You guys see how I'm buying there on pressure, right? I'm going to close this at 5-3-9. I'm going to go my limit here. I'm going to go 5-3. Oh, sorry. 5-3-7. Let's just go 5-3-5 here. Let's put it 141. 141,000 acro right there. Okay, get that in here. That's right, the resistance, the 141.0535. That's 170 profit right there. No, I think it's gonna break higher than that. Ooh, took my limit out just on time. Did you guys see that? I'm gonna go 538. Is it actually doing anything right now? Is it doing all right? There we go. It's spiking to the upside right there. Here's the temporary resistance at the 5.4. Let's just go 5.375, okay? And then that's gonna be a better number. 5.375 is gonna nail me. 0.05375. That's $200. Really fucking fast. Let's see if we can get the momentum going to the upside here, okay? 5.3, 5.3, 5.35, 5.375 is my target. Oh, there's the bears, the bulls trying to push to the upside. There we go. There are these leverage walls. It's gonna bounce. It's gonna go very, very high. So then we take the Fibonacci retracement of the entire fucking thing, okay, guys? The entire freaking thing right now. Do you see what I mean? And we say, what can we do with this? So this is probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, missed it. Maybe I missed it. Come on, come on. Give me a little push to the upside here. I want to just close it and get the fuck out of this trade, to be honest. But this is the 382, right? So it's not even close to a 382 retracement yet of the entire structure. So, but then we have to see if we have any type of relevant supports, right? So now we're seeing, oh shit, we are at a resistance right now. So guess what, guys? Mama's gonna maybe take my profit right here, okay? Because do you guys see that right there? Fuck the shitty trade. Here's $100 only. Nah, that was a good choice to just close that position, honestly. See how bearishly engulfing it is now? And I just noticed that resistance, right? I just noticed it. And look at us start to downtrend now, right? I made the perfect call to close it at that exact resistance. Because if I had not, I would have been pretty much broken out even entirely. And now I'm going to reevaluate a possible entry on a break right here. Okay? On a break right possibly there. That was a really good bounce there for a good like 5% of a scalp. So let's just see what's going to happen in this exact area. And then we will go from there on to the next trade, guys. That was $130 in minutes. Like literally fucking minutes. That was in a 2-minute trade for 130 Canadian dollars. 70 profit right there. No, I think it's going to break higher than that. Ooh, took my limit out just on time. Did you guys see that? I'm going to go 538. Is it actually doing anything right now? Is it doing all right? There we go. It's spiking to the upside right there. Here's the temporary resistance at the 5.4. Let's just go 5.375, okay? And then that's going to be a better number. 5.375 is going to nail me 0.05375. That's $200 really fucking fast. Let's see if we can get the momentum going to the upside here, okay? 5.3, 5.3, 5.35, 5.375 is my target. Oh, there's the bears, the bulls trying to push to the upside. There we go. There are these leverage walls. It's gonna bounce. It's gonna go very, very high. So then we take the Fibonacci retracement of the entire fucking thing, okay, guys? The entire freaking thing right now. Do you see what I mean? And we say, what can we do with this? So this is probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, missed it. Maybe I missed it. Come on. Give me a little push to the upside here. I want to just close it and get the fuck out of this trade, to be honest. But this is the 382, right? So it's not even close to a 382 retracement yet of the entire structure. So, but then we have to see if we have any type of relevant supports, right? So now we're seeing, oh shit, we are at a resistance right now. So guess what, guys? Mama's gonna maybe take my profit right here, okay? Because do you guys see that right there? Fuck the shitty trade. Here's $100 only. Nah, that was a good choice to just close that position, honestly. See how bearishly engulfing it is now? And I just noticed that resistance, right? I just noticed it. And look at us start to downtrend now, right? I made the perfect call to close it at that exact resistance. Because if I had not, I would have been pretty much broken out even entirely. And now I'm going to reevaluate a possible entry on a break right here. Okay? On a break right possibly there. That was a really good bounce there for a good like 5% of a scalp. So let's just see what's going to happen in this exact area. And then we will go from there on to the next trade, guys. That was $130 in minutes. Like literally fucking minutes. That was in a 2-minute trade for 130 Canadian dollars. Okay, I entered the second short of mine here right after that one. So I don't even know what I started with today because I sent some money out. I think I started with like 29. Yeah, I started with 2,900 today, right, from that last trade earlier. And then now this one's gonna be a pretty big profit, I think. 12.01. It's gonna be like $358 profit, and I'm gonna go back to bed. I'm not kidding. I'm very, very tired right now, so not bad. Come on, just give me a little closer, and I'll be very, very happy, and whatever. We're on our way, you know. So I even do something like that for this particular wave, maybe. This seems very nice, right? So here's me coming up to close this position right there. I entered it literally right at the top there, and it's really, really amazing trade, I have to admit. Just give me a little push to the 1201 ranges. That's exactly where I am. I got my order coming up there, right? The 1201, and that's just me just about to come up here. And bam, no, fuck off. Jesus Christ, this volatility just kills me when I wake up. I'm not ready for it yet. Last thing I want to do is wake up to this, you know? You know what I mean? I don't want to wake up to this shit. Here's a 1206 Adam USD TP. Fuck, I'm trading it on the wrong chart. Like, I'm literally trading on the fucking wrong chart. I'm taking 200 right there. Okay, did you guys see that? I'm literally trading it on the normal market right now when it's so different, the chart. So I fucked up there. So I took out to like 2,900 today. So I'm only up a little bit. Fuck my balls. I'm only up $270 in a very short period of time. This might even end up going long again, right? So let's have a look here. It's gonna probably try to just keep killing this up here. A little bit frustrated right now that I'm like very groggy, and whatever, man. That was a pretty decent profit there, right? For like $200 plus. Yes, I actually caught the top, like the very fucking top. Let's go with 1201 right there. 1201. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close it at 1201. 1201.05. Something like that. This is definitely coming to the downside now. The 2-minute chart's just getting tanked. See, the 1-minute chart looks nasty. Got that shooting star type of combination. See that shooting star right there? Hanging man, hanging man, hanging man, engulfing, bearish pin bar, doji, attempt, shooting star, engulfing, pin bar, bearish. So now I think that the 2-minute chart is going to start paving way because we're getting a series of lower lows and lower highs, right? That means that it's very much so on its way. Here we go. The 3-minute chart is just about to cross over here soon too. So we're probably going to test as something reasonable. This probably just broke down right there already, okay? So this right here just broke its ass down. So that makes me decently happy to know that that it's gonna probably get to this EMA trend line right there. So there's the 4 range right now. So I'm gonna go for a quick little $300-400 gain or whatever here. Let's go for a 2 here. And see, people are hammering at it very, very hard right now as a support range because of there and there. So I might just take my fucking shitty ass profit and go back to bed. I'm not kidding. But unless we break down there with conviction, there we go. There's the 3-1 ranges. There we go. We're popping it up. Nice. This is going to be a $350 profit right there. I'm going to put my bid right there. See that? That's going to be 350 bucks. I started with 31.25 here. And let's just give me a little bit of a hammer. Come on. Give me one little hammer. And I'm going to be very, very fucking happy with this trade, okay? Nope. We ended up getting a slight bounce right there. Thus far, they're recovering. But this is a lower high, so it's got to definitely have its way to the downside, in my opinion. Right? The 3-minute chart's really crossing over here. Okay, so I don't know what the fuck is happening there. This is lower high. I cannot get my position closed there. Shit. I tried 1.5. It didn't work out. No. That's not a good thing. See that? Ah, showzers. Now it's on its way fucking up again. Are you serious? But the 3-minute chart just literally crossed over right here. Do you see that? The 3-minute chart just crosses over in like a second or two. Or in a minute. So we got to have some sort of momentum again to the downside. See, it's very frustrating to close your position at specific prices and price points when sometimes just shit happens. You know, it just hits the fan. It doesn't work out nearly as planned. So I'm at 160 only right now, which is very fucking frustrating because I could have been up $350, but now we're just getting slammed, right? Or it's rallying to the upside. So I wanted to make one more push to the downside right there, and I'd feel very confident. And I'm going to go back to bed after this, actually. So this profit here will be a $300 profit that I'm just about to take, I hope, at the 12.2 range, right? So we're waiting for that momentum right now just to roll over at the 12.2 range, like exactly there. But this looks like it could have been taking one for the team already, right? In terms of this could have been a higher low. So let's just see if it's coming up here, if it's going to do it. Here's 12.7. What did this one even get up to? There we go. It's coming up. 12.2, 12.2, right? 12.3. Let's see if it actually hits it. 12.1. Actually, I'm going to take my profit right. There we go. They're pushing it down very hard right now. Very hard, very hard. It's going to close. It's going to close. It's going to close. It's going to close. And there. And there. Ooh. $300 profit. I just grew this account from 2,900 to 34. Oh, yes. It feels good. Took out 800 bucks. Going to go shopping with that today. Oh, wow. Did I just wake up for like 20 minutes and I just made fucking 535 American dollars? Did I just fucking do that? Did I fucking just do that? Seriously? Yeah, I did. Fuck yeah, man. This is so good, this trade. Hell yeah. That was such a good trade, man. Look at this shit. I'm shorting it from... Actually, I don't even know why it's not updated. I'll show you guys later. Okay, so I don't know what the fuck is happening there. This is lower high. I cannot get my position closed there. Shit. I tried 1.5. It didn't work out. No. That's not a good thing. See that? Ah, showzers. Now it's on its way fucking up again. Are you serious? But the 3-minute chart just literally crossed over right here. Do you see that? The 3-minute chart just crosses over in like a second or two, or in a minute. So we gotta have some sort of momentum again to the downside. See, it's very frustrating to close your position at specific prices and price points when sometimes just shit happens. You know, it just hits the fan. It doesn't work out nearly as planned. So I'm at 160 only right now, which is very fucking frustrating because I could have been up $350, but now we're just getting slammed, right? Or we're getting it's rallying to the upside. So I wanted to make one more push to the downside right there, and I'd feel very confident. And I'm gonna go back to bed after this actually. So this profit here will be a $300 profit that I'm just about to take, I hope, at the 12.2 range, right? So we're waiting for that momentum right now just to roll over at the 12.2 range, like exactly there. But this looks like it could have been taking one for the team already, right? In terms of this could have been a higher low. So let's just see if it's coming up here, if it's gonna do it. Here's 12.7. What did this one even get up to? There we go. It's coming up. 12.2, 12.2, right? 12.3. Let's see if it actually hits it. 12.1. Actually, I'm going to take my profit right. There we go. They're pushing it down very hard right now. Very hard, very hard. It's going to close. It's going to close. It's going to close. It's going to close. And there. And there. Ooh. $300 profit. I just grew this account from 2,900 to 34. Oh, yes. It feels good. Took out $800. Going to go shopping with that today. Oh, wow. Did I just wake up for like 20 minutes and I just made fucking 535 American dollars? Did I just fucking do that? Did I fucking just do that? Seriously? Yeah, I did. Yes. I actually caught the top. Like the very fucking top. Let's go with 1201 right there. 1201. Yeah, I think I'm going to close it at 1201. 1201.05. Something like that. This is definitely coming to the downside now. The 2-minute chart's just getting tanked. See, the 1-minute chart looks nasty. Got that shooting star type of combination. See that shooting star right there. Hanging man, engulfing, bearish pin bar, doji, attempt, shooting star, engulfing, pin bar, bearish. So now I think that the 2-minute chart is going to start paving way because we're getting a series of lower lows and lower highs, right? That means that it's very much so on its way. Here we go. The 3-minute chart is just about to cross over here soon too. So we're probably going to test as something reasonable. This probably just broke down right there already, okay? So this right here just broke its ass down. So that makes me decently happy to know that that it's gonna probably get to this EMA trend line right there. So there's the 4 range right now. So I'm gonna go for a quick little $300-400 gain or whatever here. Let's go for a 2 here, and see people are hammering at it very, very hard right now as a support range because of there and there. So I might just take my fucking shitty ass profit and go back to bed. I'm not kidding. But unless we break down there with conviction, there we go. There's the 3-1 ranges. There we go. We're popping it up. Nice. This is going to be a $350 profit right there. I'm going to put my bid right there. See that? That's going to be 350 bucks. I started with 31.25 here. And let's just give me a little bit of a hammer. Come on. Give me one little hammer. And I'm going to be very, very fucking happy with this trade, okay? Nope. We ended up getting a slight bounce right there. Thus far, they're recovering. But this is a lower high, so it's got to definitely have its way to the downside, in my opinion. Right, the 3-minute chart's really crossing over here. Okay, so I don't know what the fuck is happening there. This is a lower high. I cannot get my position closed there. Shit. I tried 1.5. It didn't work out. No, that's not a good thing. See that? Ah, showzers. Now it's on its way fucking up again. Are you serious? But the 3-minute chart just literally crossed over right here. Do you see that? The 3-minute chart just crosses over in like a second or two, or in a minute. So we got to have some sort of momentum again to the downside. See, it's very frustrating to close your position at specific prices and price points when sometimes just shit happens, you know, it just hits the fan. It doesn't work out nearly as planned. So I'm at 160 only right now, which is very fucking frustrating because I could have been up $350, but now we're just getting slammed, right? Or we're getting it's rallying to the upside. So I wanted to make one more push to the downside right there, and I'd feel very confident. And I'm gonna go back to bed after this actually. So this profit here will be a $300 profit that I'm just about to take, I hope, at the 12.2 range, right? So we're waiting for that momentum right now just to roll over at the 12.2 range, like exactly there. But this looks like it could have been taking one for the team already, right? In terms of this could have been a higher low. So let's just see if it's coming up here, if it's gonna do it. Here's 12.7. What did this one even get up to? There we go. It's coming up. 12.2, 12.2, right? 12.3. Let's see if it actually hits it. 12.1. Actually, I'm going to take my profit right. There we go. They're pushing it down very hard right now. Very hard, very hard. It's going to close. It's going to close. It's going to close. It's going to close. And there. And there. Ooh. $300 profit. I just grew this account from 2,900 to 34. Oh, yes. It feels good. Took out $800. Going to go shopping with that today. Oh, wow. Did I just wake up for like 20 minutes and I just made fucking 535 American dollars? Did I just fucking do that? Did I fucking just do that? Seriously? Yeah, I did. Fuck yeah, man. This is so good, this trade. Hell yeah. That was such a good trade, man. Look at this shit. I'm shorting it from... Actually, I don't even know why it's not updated. I'll show you guys it later. Okay, so I don't know what the fuck is happening there. This is lower high. I cannot get my position closed there. Shit. I tried 1.5, it didn't work out. No, that's not a good thing. See that? Ah, oh, showzers. Now it's on its way fucking up again. Are you serious? But the 3-minute chart just literally crossed over right here. Do you see that? The 3-minute chart just crosses over in like a second or two, or in a minute. So we gotta have some sort of momentum again to the downside. See, it's very frustrating to close your position at specific prices and price points. When sometimes just shit happens, you know, it just hits the fan. It doesn't work out nearly as planned. So I'm at 160 only right now, which is very fucking frustrating because I could have been up $350, but now we're just getting slammed, right? Or we're getting it's rallying to the upside. So I wanted to make one more push to the downside right there, and I'd feel very confident. And I'm gonna go back to bed after this actually. So this profit here will be a $300 profit that I'm just about to take, I hope, at the 12.2 range, right? So we're waiting for that momentum right now just to roll over at the 12.2 range, like exactly there. But this looks like it could have been taking one for the team already, right? In terms of this could have been a higher low. So let's just see if it's coming up here, if it's gonna do it. Here's 12.7. What did this one even get up to? There we go. It's coming up. 12.2, 12.2, right? 12.3. Let's see if it actually hits it. 12.1. Actually, I'm going to take my profit right. There we go. They're pushing it down very hard right now. Very hard, very hard. It's going to close. It's going to close. It's going to close. It's going to close. And there. And there. Ooh. $300 profit. I just grew this account from 2,900 to 34. Oh, yes. It feels good. Took out $800. Going to go shopping with that today. Oh, wow. Did I just wake up for like 20 minutes and I just made fucking 535 American dollars? Did I just fucking do that? Did I fucking just do that? Seriously? Yeah, I did. I sit here on the edge of my seat just waiting for a trade. Okay, I'll show you guys the skills. I got skills. It's multiplying. Okay, so we are in the wrong coin right now. I moved it over by accident. So I'm basically looking for this right now, okay? Like, I'm looking to see if this is going to break right here. Right, if it's going to break down. But I'm wanting it to break up instead, actually, okay? Legit wanting it to break to the fucking upside. I don't want it to break down. I want it to spike up. So I'm waiting right now, like just diligently waiting to see. There we go. Are we breaking it up? Oh my god, we are. I just pushed it up there with a 500 order. That was me. Ah, nope. Got bull trapped. No one's buying. It's just me. That's why I only bought 500. That's all right. It's not much that I'm down. I'm only in it for 5 grand right now. You know what I'm saying? Or not even. Actually, am I? How much am I in it for? I don't even know. Whatever the math that is working out to. Oh, I'm in it for $5,000. Okay, that's fine. So now we're right at the edge here, seeing if it's going to break up, right? And I'm going to put in a little bit more. The 500 here. It looks like it wants to break up. Nope. Nope. Got rejected right there. See? So you got to be really, 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 really careful about these small things. But I see that the volume's picking up right here. I see that the volume's picking up. The 30-second chart is curving to the upside right now. So that's looking very nice. Is it going to go to the upside? See this? See the MACD? It's curving up right now. So it looks like it's creating the illusion. Oh, the 1-minute chart's kind of going up as well. So it wants to really, really push above this specific resistance if you're seeing. Just so much congestion right there, right? What a pretty big battle. Huge battle right now. Good thing I'm not impatient enough, right? To keep buying, you know what I mean? Or to just buy. So we've got to wait for the volume to really, really pick up here. Nothing is picking up quite yet. The volume is so low at 120 million. It doesn't seem like there's any liquidity even. Oh, this is the big drop right here. See? Pretty decent drop. You guys don't see because I'm on the second charts. Okay, I'll go to the 5-second charts here, okay? Let's go 15. There's too much information on the 5 for this particular coin right now. It's not that volatile while it's squeezing in. So let's just see here. Actually, I like the 5-second chart a lot. You guys know how I feel about the 5-second chart, fuck. So now let's just see if this has actually got the curvature to go to the upside. Oh no, it got faked out right there. See, it's having a lot of trouble breaking to the upside. Oh, now we just got a little tick to the upside. See that? See that? We got a little tick. Oh shit. Oh shit. It's trying. Right? Every time it inches closer there, it gets closer and closer and closer. So now look how close this is right here. It's going to try. It's going to try. It looks like it wants to go up, to be honest. Looks like it wants to break up. No, not quite yet. Yowzer, it's just so close, right? You guys see that? You guys see the stress right here, right? On the 30-second chart, I know that's at the 200 EMA right there. But is it going to drop down? Is it going to break? Is it going to push up? You guys have no idea, nor do I. But this is what we got to do as a trader to play these possible breakout rolls. And then let's also zoom into here to see what type of activity we got, right? So to see if people are buying, people are nibbling. People are nibbling hard. There are these big walls here at the 90, 94 ranges, right? Oh, we're poking out. We're poking out. Now I'm in a position for $10,000 or $11,000 because I think we're poking out of there. Nope, we got it rejected. Shit. Ooh, that was not a good trade, guys. I'm down a little bit. Okay, now we're going to try that one more attempt maybe. And then if this doesn't work, if this histogram doesn't start to tick the way I want it to, we're going to have to get out of this trade. Right? That really did look like it was going to go to the upside. But this is also a descending type of triangle. Therefore, we're not really sure the best play here to take other than to just chill. Wait, we're almost at the end of the apex, okay? Almost at the end. Almost. I'm down about 80 bucks right now. But I'm not going to take more of a loss than that if we go down, okay? So we're coming. We're coming. That red line is coming up right now. I think we're going down, guys. The bulls are just not strong enough right now. The bulls are not strong enough. See, we're not getting any activity to go to the upside. People are buying, but there seems to be a lot of invisible walls that just don't want to push it to the upside. And now this is probably going to be a gigantic dump coming. That's what I'm thinking. And if that happens, I'm going to be pretty pissed off about it, but that's all right. But, you know, you got to take these chances, right? Oh, we're poking out. We're poking out. It rears its ugly head. Oh, my goodness. Yes. Come on. Come on. There we go. People don't see that it's poking up yet. And once they do it, maybe they'll start buying, right? All we got to do is get past this little hump right here. This stupid little hump for a few minutes, and then we're golden. And don't come back into that bearish zone. Don't come back in. Come on. That's not cool of you. Fuck off. I don't think we're actually... I'm drawing it quite right, maybe. Like, I'm not going to grasp on straws to draw it perfectly, but that definitely did not fucking go above the way I wanted it to. And now we're trending to a region where breakout is less likely now. The further we're just getting closer and closer there because we keep getting bull trapped, right? Trapped. This one here was a big wick right here, right? Huge wick. So now we got to really, really be patient. Got to really see, got to see the 2-minute chart. You crossing over? Nope, you're not crossing over. The 1 minute, you crossing over? No, you're not crossing over the 1 minute either, right? It's not going up. 30-second chart, yeah, this one's going up now, right? This has got really positive bullish momentum. This has got really bullish momentum. Take a look. Just steady, 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 steady. Histogram. So now we're at very much so the pinnacle of this apex breakout. This must go up. It must go up. It didn't go down. So now we got our whole retracement of this entire fucking range. How much is this? If it goes all the way up to the double top, that's 8% there on 10K. That's going to be another $700. But I don't think it's going to get there, okay, to be quite honest. See what I mean? There, I don't think it's going to get there. It's getting very bearish right now. Super bearish, okay? I'm about to take my loss right here. A lot of people are selling off. Do you guys see? Not a lot of people are buying. Here's 1,125. And, you know, people are trying to push it up. They're trying to put in these bids. But the asking is just way too strong, in my opinion. There we go. We're breaking down now. Guys, we're definitely breaking to the downside, I think. And what's going to happen? What's going to happen here? 43, 84. 84. I'm going to lose about $150 for this trade here. Unless we break, you know, right there. There we go. Boom. I'm out of this trade, guys. So that's all right there. I lost about $160 on this trade. I just want to give that. Anyways, that's how you take a loss, guys. Sometimes this is exactly what you got to do to trade. And that's how you fucking trade, man. Got to keep an eye on it. You got to know when you take your losses, man. Just don't fuck around with these losses. Just eat it up if it goes against your way, if it breaks a particular point, and you're done. Take your loss, move on. Simple as. You check this out, guys. I'm just going to buy. Oh, fuck off. I didn't even buy the breakout. Like, shit, man. Look at this stupid idiot of me. Fuck, man. It's gonna market execute. I'm mad now. I was supposed to buy 10,000, not 1,000. Just saying. 10,000, guys, not 1,000. Okay there, buddy. I'm a fucking idiot. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's so dumb of me. Wow, I'm just blown away by my stupidity sometimes. I don't know how dumb I can be. Like, you know what I mean? I must be really, really fucking tired right now. Shit, my balls. Fuck, man. I'm so annoyed right now by that. Fuck, man. That's the most annoying thing that can ever fucking happen. Fuck, man. I'm just gonna put my limit right up there. Like, that was just ridiculous how... I hope it really doesn't make a channel now. You know? How's the momentum? I don't know about this guy. It doesn't really look that healthy right now, to be quite honest. People are not buying really anything anymore. Yo, guys, so I'm going to go for a quick $100 scalp here in just a few seconds. I bought in the breakout here. So I bought at 743. I'm about to close at 754. So a quick $100 in about a few seconds, I think. The reason I bought it was simply because of this particular breakout right there, right? This thing right here, it ended up just kind of spiking through it, so I'm very happy with that right there so far. I don't know if it's actually going to get exactly where I want it to get because of these regions over there, which is actually really annoying, which I didn't see until right about now, but it's going to close anyways. So this was maybe like a 1 minute trade. You can easily tell it was a 1 minute trade because I kind of bought it right around there at 743. So it's been about 55 seconds now, like right before this video. So I don't think it's going to close it quite there yet. So we're going to have to give a tiny bit of time. I think this thing here, it wants to really curve over the 5 minute chart. See? This guy wants to really curve over. But before that does that, the 3 minute needs to, right? But the 3 minutes not doing the best right now. So shit. And I actually made a huge mistake of actually not buying it on the breakout there. I only bought 1,000 by accident instead of a lot more than that. So some of mine actually got chipped away, but then some of it also made a fucking resistance, which is very irritating. So now let's see if it's going to make a little test down over there, right? And I'm not sure if I want to stay around and wait for that. So I'm just going to chill here and see if it makes one more possible dip to the up or up test to the upside, okay? If it does, that's phenomenal. Maybe it'll go right up to 754 even more. Like one more attempt maybe. Alright, so I made a pretty bad trade right there where I entered pretty much at the worst possible spot I could. But the good news is that, like, if you take a look at on these time frames here, like, let's just see if this ends up making any type of pattern. Something like that, maybe. don't know anything yet. So must be very patient on this trade. I think this one will actually be a really good trade. The reason I like it is because I think it's going to hit the top of that channel over there, honestly. Like this way top again. So I'm actually going to buy a tiny bit more. I entered it earlier. I entered it kind of right around there. So I'm going to buy 745 just to have an even 10,000 right there. Interesting coin fuck. So let's just see if it holds itself in any way around these ranges. What I like about this trade the most is that like it's hit the trend line a few times already. I'm talking about since 9 in the morning. So you know for a fact that this parallel channel could easily play out. I'm not going to play more than this though. This is the perfect amount that I'm trading. I'm going to give this some time. This is moving a little bit more slow than I like. But I think that this is going to be a very solid trade overall. And I think that I'm going to come out quite ahead on it. It's just a matter of waiting to see how it plays out. Right? I'm not trading anything based off of, except for price action and pretty much, just price action and supports and resistances right now and breakouts. Our side, not even looking at it really. Fuck, I haven't looked at our side in a long time. I don't remember when the last time I said the word RSI was. That's pretty funny. Okay, we finally broke up to my side of the map here. I think the 5-minute chart's kicking in hard. I'm really, really tired right now, guys. I want to go to bed, to be honest. I want to go to sleep for like fucking an hour. For once, I actually want to sleep, guys, because... yeah, I think I need it. I've been kind of awake for a long time. For maybe 2 weeks. You know what I mean? I don't think you guys know what I mean. This is gonna break it. Like, for sure it's gonna break it. For sure it's gonna hit the top of that channel. Like, Philcon's just good at what he does. Shit, give me a win. I just want to win so I can go to bed. I'm so tired. Let me go to bed, please. See, I'm trying to take my profit, and I'm not taking my profit, and it's getting to exactly where the fuck it's supposed to be. What is wrong with me? I must be that fucking tired. Look at this. Okay, so now what is it going to do? Make an ascending triangle all the way there? Woo-wee! I'm such a bad trader today. I'm such a fucking bad trader. I'm not kidding. I'm just horrible today. I don't think this is going to go up anymore. It got faked out. It got so many resistance hits right here. Like, fuck my balls. Really irritating day when I'm tired, you know? Like, I had so many opportunities to close it. I had one there. I had one there. I'm just, like, removing my limit orders like an idiot. It's pretty funny, actually, like, how bad I am right now. Actually, I should probably just lower it to 5.2. Fuck that. It's just so I can get my ass to bed and I don't care. I just don't want to take a loss. Let's see how this plays out. So we do. Holy crap. I gotta stop yawning. Oh no, the momentum is so down. I'm not kidding, like the momentum is just really wanting to break to the downside. Okay, let's see if it can spike up there one more time to the 5.2 ranges. And if it does there, it's probably going to end up breaking it. And if it does, that's going to be a huge profit. That's going to be like $700, $800 if it goes all the way to the top there. So maybe I should just actually give this a shot, right? Because I'm only counting basically 1, 2, and that's 3. And I don't know what the fuck that is. 3, 4, somewhere in there. Alright, out of time, fuck. I don't know what the hell this conglomerate is, nor does it matter to me. We're gonna break it down my style Elliott wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That makes a 2. And that makes a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That makes a 3. That makes a 4. Where the fuck are you, 5th? Whoops! I hope you guys heard most of that because I'm not restarting it. Let's go 30-second chart now. We're trying to finish this. This is most likely making ending fifth wave diagonal. Let's see if this is going to soar up. I don't think it's going to be. So let's get the fuck in this trade. Let's get this trade, boy. Come on, give me a trade. Yeah, ending fifth wave diagonal. I like you the most right now. Yeah, baby. I don't want to play 10x. I don't even want to play 5. I don't even want to play 4. I don't even need to do any of that. I'm going to short this shit right here. Let's see what looks... Nope, nope. It actually ended up breaking to the upside. It broke. It broke. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, it did not. How many can I short here? I'm going to go 10,000 ADA. That's perfect right there. 10,000 ADA. Okay, that's a pretty decent profit right there. There we go. I'm in, guys. I'm fucking in this trade. I mean it. I'm in it. I'm in it to win it. Okay, we got an ending fifth wave diagonal possibly forming in here. Okay, I got my 5 count in there. I got my 1, 2, 3, 4 motherfucking 5. If it breaks well above here, then you know it's going to be an ending fifth wave diagonal. I'm even so confident I'm even going to add more to my short right now. Another 5,000. Okay, I'm so fucking confident right now. I'm going to post this right now. Alright, so we actually do break down like hard. I don't like it when people ask me what the fuck is the target and stuff. Like, people are asking me where's the target and stuff, and I'm trying to tell them I'm a price action trader. Always remember, I have no targets. It just comes to reacting when it happens. Does that make sense, guys? Like, the only reason I shorted there, it's not like I fucking knew it was gonna get up there, you know, like there might be one more wave, to be honest. I think there's one more. Just looks like there's one freaking more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like, I don't know. Like, I think there is. Like, ADA is really overextended already, in my opinion. I don't like answering questions like where the fuck are the targets and stuff, because honestly it's not my goddamn concern to tell you when to enter or exit. Like, it's not of my concern at all. I'm here to give you guys crazy educational content, and the people that actually make good use of the content and they try to learn and study it, they're gonna do really well. But the people that are asking shit like where the fuck do I do this and that, like, they're not gonna do that well, to be quite honest. Okay, like, I know how this game works really well. I can tell who's gonna do well. I can tell by the questions people ask as well, by like who's got the right mindset and mentality to really kill it in this game, right? And you know, if you're like, I'm not here to be like to discuss, you know, to discuss in high detail what the fuck I'm gonna do. I'm here to tell you guys what I'm gonna do, and I'm here to teach you guys why I did it or why I didn't do it, or the lessons that we've learned from. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I don't know where the fuck this structure is, to be quite honest. I just wanted to buy myself lunch. Like, I just want to buy myself lunch. I'm going to close at 552. 0.05. Oops. That's if that's it. No way. This is so shitty. It's got to go lower than that. Like, that's got to be the 5 count in there. I'm not kidding. Like, did we get a lower high on the RSI? That one and that. No, we can't go judge that one. Like, let's see this time frame. Yeah, we got a lower high. Confirmed third wave. Confirmed first wave. See that? You can just confirm like usually where these things are. First wave, second wave, third wave. That's just the way it is. Yeah, yeah. Bullish flag? Is this a bullish fucking flag coming up? Nope. We're finally going below the 55 EMA. Yes, baby. The 55 EMA is finally dropping below on the 15-second chart. This is looking phenomenal thus far. Yeah, baby. Look, we're just dropping. Let's give me a drop to the golden ratio at least, right? That's perfect right there. I'm just going to close mine like right around now. I just want this quick $100 profit, man. Give me lunch money. Just fucking give me lunch money. Bam. $130. I'm out. 4-minute trade. Bam, homies. I'll give you guys a hint of what to look for, okay, in these kind of markets. Just pattern trade it. I'm not shitting you. Price action pattern trading it. For example, here, right, we want to see if it's going to make another touch somewhere up there, right? Something like that. So, for example, LRC, right, let's just see what this guy is doing here. Like, this guy here is probably going to make a pattern like this, right? So we want to just kind of chill and wait until shit happens, right? until a pattern eventually builds up, and then it does something, and then we catch it. You know what I mean? Let me give you an example. What was I trading earlier today where I lost money on? It was the first thing that I touched. Acro, maybe? Right here, right? Right here. You wait for a pattern to emerge, for example. Like, this is kind of my strategy all day, all night, if you guys have noticed lately, right? And I'm just kind of like waiting for this fucking, like, ascending type of or descending triangle to happen, right? Just waiting for something like that. And then it could break up to the upside, for example, but it fell down instead. And the more it falls, the more of an opportunity we actually get to long it, right? So I'm just gonna price action trade fucking everything today. Elliott Wave is kind of out of the books during very volatile moments. Like, you don't give a shit about Elliott Wave. Trust me, guys. It's not gonna help much at all. So, like, Acro just moved down like 20-30%. So you know the next relevant support is about here. At this, there's usually a reaction always at a very relevant place. You know what I mean? So then there's opportunities for like scalps everywhere today. So we're focusing on Acro that moved a lot. It reset already, right? It reset already, but this one moved 50-60%. We know ADA is on the hot list right now, right? We just shorted that for a decent profit there, right? I think ADA might have another wave up. I don't really know. I don't know if that's really 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yet. I don't know. But you know, Atom is really high in the list as well, right? It's hitting a resistance up there. You know, Ave is really high on the list today as well. There's so many fucking coins up there that are just like, yeah, you should probably get interested in it because there's just so many opportunity. LRC is one of the best ones right here as well, right? So I'm just giving you guys kind of an idea of what I'm looking at today. Yo guys, what's up? I'm gonna close my short right around here. See how there's a trend line here that I didn't fucking notice. Because of that, I'm going to get out of this trade because I think it's going to try to hit the top end again. So I'm just going to try to close this at 552 or something like that. 150. Oh, there you go. That should be a decent trade right here. A decent close. Right at this trend line here. Fuck it, I'm doing it. I took only $50 there because it's already going up. You see that? Whatever, fuck. I don't care. Haha. $50. It's okay though. Like, sometimes you don't see that shit, right? So if it hits there again, I'm going to long that because it's probably going to break. So you guys got to watch this, okay? Actually, how much did I make there? I made $65 actually. So that was like $80 Canadian. I'll take that $80 Canadian. So I'm going to wait for this break up here. Like, I'm really interested in the break. Come on, give me a fucking break. Look at all these apexes that are forming today. So many apexes. Just wait for this apex. It's going to really clearly define a lot of things. It's really, really good day so far. Alright, so I got in at a really good time here. Okay, I think that's the 5-wave structure, whatever the fuck that is. I don't know what it is, to be quite honest. And I don't care, because I'm a day trader, right? It doesn't mean much to me at all what the fuck it does. I'm in it for a pretty decent sized position right now, 40,000. I didn't mean to play that much, to be honest. It's alright. I think this is the 5-wave structure, though. Like from here, basically, to in there, that's a 5-wave structure, right? So we're probably looking for a decent retracement right now. I'm probably going to guess to like, I actually got in right around now, so I'm probably going to guess like 24. At least 24 too. Something like that, okay? Actually, I'm going to go for a really quick scalp at 24.062. 24.062. That's going to get me a pretty decent amount, I think. I'm in for 10k. Whoa, it's actually pretty bearish right now. Oh, how many do I have to put? Okay, 40k here. There we go. So that's where I am roughly, okay? That's going to be a pretty decent profit here of about 4%. I'm up about $156 already, which is a significant amount for a small period of time. But I'm not going to go. I'm just going to go for a 243. Like around there, right around, yeah, 243-ish, something like that. Okay, really easy profit if I go for 243, 0.24, sorry, 2403, $430. What the fuck? Oh no, I meant 243, $310. $310. And the reason why I entered is because exactly what I'm talking about, guys. I'm just identifying the 5-wave structure here, and I'm assuming that this is right. Right, I'm assuming that this one here, there's at least a 1-to-1, so we know it's all right. This count right here, it's pretty bang on. Everything seems to be parabolically dropping right now, so I don't think I want to I want to really be shorting or anything. I don't want to be longing or anything right now. So it looks very, very nice just the way that the curvature is. Okay? That curvature is actually beautiful. So here we're coming to the downside, I think. I think we are like, fuck, it's not wanting to go. It really isn't wanting. I think this is might be like the, I don't like this shit where it's gonna like eventually correct a little bit. You know what I mean? It's gonna do that one wave up, and I don't handle waves well. If you guys have noticed that, that is why my strategy is the strategy. That's the strategy. So my strategy is just the way it is, simply because I do not handle movement up or down well, like for fractals. So I only play one straight up wave, if you guys have noticed that, right? That's my strategy, and that's what I'm going to tend to stick to for a very long time. Okay, so now we got more bearish momentum, which is great. Okay, we got people buying up a lot, though, closing short positions. Got to look on the 5-second chart, the 15-second chart. The curvature is going to the upside, so I'm going to close this. Unfortunately, I only took 165 from this trade, and that's all right. I'm very happy with that profit there in a very short period of time. So that was like a pretty good trade right there. Yeah, I couldn't have asked for a better trade. Do you guys see how it's bouncing to the upside now? That could be the B. So taking profit is really important to know when to do it, right? Because if you don't, if you're a scalper and you're taking your profit at really crappy times, you're just not going to get that percentage gain that you want to get. I go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5% gains, and they're fucking fast. You guys see my take profit abilities, man? Holy fuck, right? Right? You see what I mean? It's not a coincidence, guys. It's not a coincidence. Like, put it that way. You know what I'm saying? You guys know what the trigger was? This was the fucking trigger. Right there. That higher low. Right? And the way that it comes down like this, it's going to bounce up eventually, right? We get a very similar region for the price point, but a way higher low, which I referenced earlier. So, bam, guys. Easy $200. Fucking perfect trade of scalping right there, man. Seriously, that was a good trade. All right, so I got in at a really good time here. Okay, I think that's the 5-wave structure, whatever the fuck that is. I don't know what it is, to be quite honest. And I don't care because I'm a day trader, right? It doesn't mean much to me at all what the fuck it does. I'm in it for a pretty decent sized position right now, 40,000. I didn't mean to play that much, to be honest. It's all right. I think this is the 5-wave structure though. Like from here basically to in there. That's a 5-wave structure, right? So we're probably looking for a decent retracement right now. I'm probably gonna guess to like I actually got in right around now, so I'm probably gonna guess like 24, at least 24 too, something like that. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna go for a really quick scalp at 24,062, 24,062. That's gonna get me a pretty decent amount, I think. I'm in for 10k. Whoa, it's actually pretty bearish right now. Oh, how many do I have to put? Okay, 40k here. There we go. So that's where I am roughly, okay? That's going to be a pretty decent profit here of about 4%. I'm up about $156 already, which is a significant amount for a small period of time. But I'm not going to go. I'm just going to go for a 243, like around there. Right around, yeah, 243-ish. Something like that, okay? Really easy profit. If I go for 243, 0.24, sorry, 2403, $430. What the fuck? Oh no, I meant 243, $310. $310. And the reason why I entered is because exactly what I'm talking about, guys. I'm just identifying the 5-wave structure here, and I'm assuming that this is right. Right? I'm assuming that this one here, there's at least a 1-to-1, so we know it's all right. This count right here, it's pretty bang on. Everything seems to be parabolically dropping right now, so I don't think I wanna really be shorting or anything. I don't want to be longing or anything right now. So it looks very, very nice just the way that the curvature is. Okay, that curvature is actually beautiful. So here we're coming to the downside. I think we are like, fuck, it's not wanting to go. It really isn't wanting. I think this is might be like the, I don't like this shit where it's gonna like eventually correct a little bit. You know what I mean? It's gonna do that one wave up, and I don't handle waves well. If you guys have noticed that, that is why my strategy is the strategy. That's the strategy. So my strategy is just the way it is, simply because I do not handle movement up or down well, like for fractals. So I only play one straight up wave, if you guys have noticed that, right? That's my strategy, and that's what I'm going to tend to stick to for a very long time. Okay, so now we got more bearish momentum, which is great. Okay, we got people buying up a lot though, closing short positions. Got to look on the 5-second chart, the 15-second chart. The curvature is going to the upside, so I'm going to close this. Unfortunately, I only took 165 from this trade, and that's all right. I'm very happy with that profit there in a very short period of time. So that was like a pretty good trade right there. Yeah, I couldn't have asked for a better trade. Do you guys see how it's bouncing to the upside now? That could be the B. So taking profit is really important to know when to do it, right? Because if you don't, if you're a scalper and you're taking your profit at really crappy times, you're just not gonna get that percentage gain that you want to get. I go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5% gains, and they're fucking fast. You guys see my take profit abilities, man? Holy fuck, right? Right? You see what I mean? It's not a coincidence, guys. It's not a coincidence. Like, put it that way. You know what I'm saying? You guys know what the trigger was? This was the fucking trigger. Right there. That higher low. Right? And the way that it comes down like this, it's going to bounce up eventually, right? We get a very similar region for the price point, but a way higher low, which I referenced earlier. So, bam, guys. Easy $200. Fucking perfect trade of scalping right there, man. Seriously, that was a good trade. So, what's up, guys? I decided to start. Mind if I call you? Fuck, I just got into a really crazy conversation with my chick, and I can't even manage this trade right now, so fuck. A little bit stressed out about it. Whatever. This is definitely dropping to the downside here. It's not going to break up, I know that. Just based on looking at the momentum. Oh, wow. Shit. A little break to the upside here, maybe. Maybe, but I don't think so, man. I think that this is it. I legit think that this is it, where this here made a 1, 2. This is all 3, 4. So now we're looking at a retracement of this particular range right here only. Yeah, I got into a fucking crazy conversation just now. I gotta take off for at least a few, like an hour or something, or maybe a little bit. So then you just take this guy as the last wave, right? This is a subways 1, 2, and this makes a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that's how you do it. And I'm at $100 right here already. Profit again in just a few short fucking minutes. $130 literally in like a minute trade. $170 in a minute trade. You guys like that? It's like really, really fast profit right there. I'm gonna take my profit. I gotta go. I don't even know what the fuck it is, this profit, but I really gotta go soon. Let's just go for a 2685, whatever. 685. I don't fucking care really much. I don't care. I'm out of here. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Okay, that was a really fast. All right, so I took another trade. That was a really nice trade. That's coming up here for like a few $100. 0.272. That's 200 American dollars that I'll probably just rake in right here, hoping to at least. Yeah, it's got the momentum to go up, right? So I hope it's not gonna just fucking hover at this resistance here and just stay there. Like now it's dropping to the downside. I'm looking for an ABC, right? An ABC to the upside here, and I don't really see it yet. And I want a retracement of at least, a decent retracement right here of 3, 2. So 272 will be like a really, really nice place to actually be closing this right here. Okay, so 272 would be very, very, very nice. Assuming it even gets there, I mean that's reasonable. Yeah, it's very reasonable. So let's see if it actually gets there. That'll be a really quick $200 spike up there. There we go, 271, right? We're pushing it up here, 270, 276. We're at the 66 range, 65, 85, 85, nice. 77, ooh, shit. It's getting a lot of hesitation to go up there. Sick hesitation. So let's look at the momentum, see if it's actually ready to go up. Yeah, sort of. It's ready to go up. So now this one looks like here, it could be a fake out, right, guys? So I'm very cautious of this particular fake out. No one's really buying up right now, as you can tell. They're trying their asses off to push up. There's a 7 range. It says 7-0, right? It says 0 again. We're back up here. So let's go. Let's go, man. Fucking come on, push it up there just a little bit for me. Come on, please. I really gotta go. I'm having a super stressful day right now about other things outside of here now. So yeah, come on, push it up, baby. This is a good candle to be starting it off. This is gonna go up here, watch. And we're just about to puncture me up there. Come on, come on, come on, come on, coming up, coming up. I'm just right there, guys. I'm just right there. I'm coming up. I'm coming up. Come on. Yes! Fuck yeah, great job! Yo, guys, what's up? So I see this support here, like right around there, right? This bottom end right there. And now this might actually be bouncing off of here. It bounced off of there first, this one, right? And then it's gonna, I think it's trying this one now. I'm down 70 something dollars only, not that much. Gotta really go to it on a lower time frame, to be quite honest here. Fuck. Look at that. It just gets rejected like crazy, man. Fuck, man. If this doesn't bounce up right now, I'm gonna be really... I'm under a lot of stress right now about things outside of work that I just found out about. Outside of the trading, I mean. So now it's like, what's going on here? This is just getting rejected so fucking hard that I should probably get out of this trade right now. Like, I'm dumb for even being in this trade, to be honest. Like, it's just getting shattered down, right? 261, like 252. Like, it's not wanting to hold support here at all. Like, the 1 minute chart is just about to tick, maybe. Or is it not at all? Nope, it's actually getting faked out really fucking hard right now. There we go, it's done. Unless this spikes up majorly, this is it. But this little congestion right there could mean so many different things. So I have to give it a few seconds at least to like wait it out, you know? But I think I really fucked up this trade already. I'm not in a good mindset right now at all. I do have another, I got a lot more on hand I can buy. But I don't know if it's the right time to be buying, right? Because this does look like it's fucking just dropped already. The 200 EMA here. If this gives me some volume, if this gives me a tick up, you know, the histogram, like this cannot go down. This needs to go back up. Like it needs to go back up. It needs to be slightly bullish for me to enter this trade here. So now we're right at the cusp of this support, wherever the fuck I'm putting this red line, which doesn't even matter because we're broken it already. So what am I supposed to do now? Go down to the fucking 4-cent range, which is another 1.5% down and then ladder more? That's pretty stupid too, right? So now I'm just sitting here hanging on whatever I have here, right? So I want to break, obviously, of this trend line right there. We've already trended down about 70%, so maybe it's inevitable soon for it to bounce back up. But, you know, at the same time, it's looking pretty bearish to me. Okay? Looking really bearish right now. I think it could easily spike up here anytime though, right? So I don't want to be that negative about this trade right now. I mean, I'm not really close to my stop yet. I'll manually choose it. But you know, you take a look at the 1 minute chart just makes it look bad. But we are at the 55 EMA on the 1 minute chart, or sorry, the 200. So it's like, all right, are you gonna fucking spike up or what now, man? So let's just see if it's gonna actually break right above here that we're looking for, right? 2 minute chart's not even close to ticking up. Looks like there's one more massive drop to the downside, to be honest. So that's definitely all 5 waves in there already. That I can tell. You know, we take that up there, and then we take this entire range. Okay. Oops. Something like that. Okay. The 0.5 fib range right now almost. There. Shit. So it's still a big struggle right now, trying to break above, trying to stay above the 250 range, right? That's a really big support, I think, at the 250, 251 range. So yeah, but it doesn't look like it's gonna hold, to be quite frank. Oh wow, that volume just picked up hard. That one there just picked up very hard. That volume just fucking spiked out of nowhere. Whoa, are we actually breaking out of there? Whoa, 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 whoa. Are we breaking out? Not yet, not yet, not yet. Not yet. Oh, there we go. I'm buying another 10,000. There we go. Bought 10,000 more. There's the breakout that I'm looking for. That's exactly what it did. Okay, now we should see a little rise. I'm gonna sell mine at 259 here. Just get the fuck out of this trade because my mind's not out here. 0.259, $136. I'll probably pocket there, or I'll pocket at 258. Nah, I'll go 257. 257 here. 57. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. What a trap. Fuck, man. That volume right there in the 5 seconds. Seriously, that volume right there, man. That fucked me over. Come on, you just gotta break it up here, man. Just give me a close at 257, like 3 or something. Just go a little higher. That was really irritating. That's lower high here too. Shit, it might not even break out of here, honestly. It might not break. I don't think it will. This is getting way lower high. Unless this really goes to the upside here, then we might be okay. But I'm probably going to close at 257. Like, let's see if this is going to be a resistance right here. Okay, that's fine. What's that? 259. 259.259. That's a... Oh, that's not even much of a profit. Jesus. I'm barely in profit right now. Okay, well, I don't know how much this is going to go. But I'm going to guess at least 258. Around there. Just let this ride here now for a little bit. If it goes up to higher, I'd be incredibly happy, right? But I don't know if that's really going to happen. I had 39.45. 39.45. Just remember that. 39.50. So whatever profit I get is going to be that. My balance minus 39.50. Okay, so you guys will know that right away. All right. So let's see what we can make with this trade here. That was a really good trade though, right? We're just looking for a breakout, right? Oh, wow. It just got shattered right there. I just want to close it. I'm out. I just want to close this fucking position, man. I'm serious. I'm in it for 40. I'm going to put a limit right up there. I'm out. If that doesn't get up there, whatever. But this one could very well get up to a high point. But I don't know. Look at that bearishly engulfing candle. Shit! Fuck! This is just brutal that I had a chance to close it. I know I'm like not all here right now. And I'm still not closing it. 1 minute charts doing the exact same thing as before. Just hovering like a dick shit. So it came back down to test that support. But I have got a feeling it's going to really just end up tightening up and then just falling below it. So now we got this resistance at 255 like a dick shit. I didn't close it, which I regret right now. I'm not in the best mood. I'm sorry, guys. You guys are going to see many different facets of my day. Yeah, pretty harsh. Come on, man. Shit. It's probably an ascending type of triangle that it's going to keep hammering at until it tries to break it. Like, that's what I'm seeing now. Like, what else am I supposed to see, right? We're at the 0.5 fib levels here. The volume is decent. Not the best, the volume, but it's half decent, you know? Base price is a little bit lower now. Oh, wow, I can't believe I entered on that. Like, I got trapped. Normally, I would never get trapped, but I guess my head's not all here. Like, my head's really far away right now, guys. Super stressed out. Fuck. There we go. That's a solid candle. That one we just saw. So now the momentum is going to the upside. Fuck. Whenever I get nervous, I pick at my face. Or whenever I have anxiety. Oh god, I feel so alone in this. I have like insurmountable stress sometimes. I just nobody can do anything about it. It's just hmm. 2 minute chart is trying to pump up here, right? Do you see? In like 2 minutes, 4 minutes, it's when it's gonna do something. Oh, excuse me. Maybe we'll get a top hit here somewhere. Again, I don't know yet. Fuck, I really don't know. Oh, shit. Look at that big wall that's gonna get shattered. Watch the 281. You guys see that big wall, the 281? If this starts going red and people just start hammering at it, then you know it's gonna drop. Keep looking at it. Fuck. Yeah, guys, I don't know. I'm just waiting around, right? I'm seeing if this is gonna form like a channel or something like that. Looks like it wants to be driven down even more. So see this? I think it's going like that, and then it's gonna come up to this side over there. But that I don't know. Guaranteed. 2 minute chart's about to explode up there, maybe. 1 minute steadily and increasing, which is wonderful news. Have to assume parallelity and see how the fuck this goes. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it at this for now, probably, and just take my loss. I'm back later. I'm not gonna take it yet, but I'll be back. Okay, you guys are like basically talking about this capitulating here, right? That's a really nice candle on the top end. We're trying to come down, but we end up just pushing completely up. So people are like, oh, okay, it's CVC. We're gonna end up shorting it. I ended up longing it. Longing it very nicely, actually, too. So now I'm probably gonna end up just losing a lot of money in this trade, to be honest. This just gapped down there, which I don't like at all. But I don't want to close this position yet because I wanted to hit the top end of that fucking channel. Okay? Like, no joke. I wanted to hit the top end of that stupid channel. I wanted to make the ABC already. Like, where the heck is the ABC? I don't see it. A, B. Give me a C somewhere in there. Give me a three-wave structure at least. Come on, guys. So here we are attempting to hammer it again. Are you joking me? This is infuriating. Like, I've never been this infuriated in a long time where I'm just trying to break this fucking resistance already. Dear God. Come on, 5-second chart. Tick up. Bullshit diverging. Yeah, this is squeezing into here, so it should explode up. You know what I mean? There! See that? No, there. Not bad. Our side really spiked up there all of a sudden. And it's spiking up hard. It's trying to fight. Do you see that? It's trying to fight its way, the RSI. See, the RSI broke up there. That means that it's crossing over positively. That means that we're probably going to attempt that again very soon. And that's going to be a really mighty attempt. It needs to be attempted. Okay, so now... Yeah, gonna wait, gonna get a hammer at that. Just give me one hammer at that support, right? It's getting thinner and thinner and thinner and thinner as we go. So I'm just gonna have to go to like 258 or something like that. Fuck it, I'll just go for 258 now that it's getting even lower. See that? It's such a small gap there. I'm playing 10k or whatever. I'll get 1.5% of 12.5k. So like 170 to 200 bucks or something like that if it closes even up there. But we're seeing kind of a massive resistance there that's having so much trouble breaking it, guys. Like, no joke, it's having tons of trouble, so I'm kind of worried. A little bit, of course. Let's see how it goes. People are closing their short positions. That's why all this shit came up here. I'm now in a position for $12,500 American. I should have caught that up there, honestly. Shit. That would have been very nice for $250 if that actually caught up there at 2.9. Actually, 2.9. Let's go the 0.259. Oh, that would have been nice. 220 bucks. Let's put this up here. Shit, man. I fucking was eating. I'm so frustrated right now with my situation of fucking everything. That's out of my goddamn fucking control. I'm super fucking mad right now. This is the resistance right now, okay? I was just about to finish eating, come back and put a limit right at 2.9. Because I knew this was going to probably fucking spike it. Here's a 2-minute chart. Finally fucking doing something. Okay. Right. 2-minute charts finally do something with the crossover going to the upside there. Come on. Tick up. Fuck. I'm not in a good mood anymore, guys. I'm sorry, okay? Just fucking things always end up happening that's beyond my control. I know it's how we react to them that really matters. But dear God, give me a fucking break for once. You know, like, I don't have any influence over so much shit right now, and I'm super stressed out about moving and everything, and like, oh God. Just crack it already. The 2-minute chart's ticking up. Jesus Christ, you're being such a little bitch about this price. There you go. There you go. You guys want to see something? You know it's gonna it bounced off of there, and then if you go like that, look, you know where the next resistance is, right? Oh, what a rejection again! 3 times. Are you kidding me? Unreal. That I was literally gone for like 2 minutes, man, when I was just about to come back. I know that's the nature of the game, okay? But it's also very frustrating that, like, I'm trying to deal with other shit on the side as well right now. Here's why this is a long opportunity that probably should be taken every single time, in my opinion, almost, okay? Because you get 5 waves going to the upside just like that, okay? 5 waves. And then you either get, like, an ABC that goes A, B, C, like, just as an example. Or you get, you know, perhaps an ABC But either way, wave 4 acts as a very fucking strong support. Always a strong, very, 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 very strong support. That's the general rule of Elliott wave theory. Okay, and because of that, we must respect this particular spot right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you know that this is the fifth wave in there because this one here makes 1, 2. That makes 3, 4, 5. It just doesn't subdivide that nicely because you got to go in like a really shitty and low time frame. See this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That makes the 3. Get it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that makes the 3, right? And here, this is most likely the A, B, and this is the C down right there. And do you see that this is the wave 4 territory? Right? So therefore, in my personal experience, I have to take this trade because the majority of times it wins. It doesn't mean that it's guaranteed to win this trade, but it does mean that these setups where it hits wave 4 territory is actually very, very powerful. And it wins more times than it doesn't. So because of that, I'm obligated to take this trade, even though it might be a losing trade. I don't know. So we're also at this we're also at the 0.5 Fibonacci range where we're seeing some bounce already. Get it? Whoa, I didn't even get a chance to record it. I don't even know. Look at this, guys. I got in at 252, 258, and I had fucking 50,000. I don't even know the math for that. What the fuck? I made so much money off of that trade. 0.25249 minus 0.258 times 50. I mean, oh, not much. What the fuck? Only $275? That's it? Wow, it's okay though. I mean that. Do you guys want to see something really fucking cool? Check this out. I posted in the group. This is why I must take this CVC trade. I must take it. I'll explain to you guys why very, very quickly so you guys will really understand too, okay? So when it comes to an Elliott wave structure, there's 5 Elliott wave structures that go up. The 4th wave is probably one of the most important ones because when the ABC comes down, okay, the ABC hits the 4th wave as a major support. And a lot of the times, wave 4 and wave 1 also overlap as well right there. So sometimes you get the C landing right there. Sometimes you get the A landing right there. And then there's a B up and then a C down. But either way, whether it's A or C, at 4, it implies a really strong bullish momentum up. So you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? You see 5. And then you see here the 0.5 Fibonacci level as well, okay? This is the 0.5 Fibonacci level and wave 4 territory. Therefore, you must go long on it. You must. You will win 65% of the fucking trades if you take this setup every single time where you're longing at a wave 4 resistance, right? Or wave 4 support. That was, oh man, that was such a great trade. That was 270. That's like, I don't know how much money in Canadian dollars, but I'm up like 3,000 fucking something crazy today already. I'm not even following. Just 2 days, yesterday I started this account at $2,000, right? 2,000 American dollars, and I took out 1,000 already. So I think I'm up like way more than I think that I am. What a great trade, guys. Great job, everybody in the Discord group, man. That's what the fucking Discord group's for, guys. Bam! You guys want to see an example of the Discord group? For example, I posted that exact trade at 6, what time is it? I posted here, I forgot, 5:55-ish. So let's just scroll up here. So I posted at 55 in the whole fucking group, right? You know? And then everyone's looking at it. I'm telling everyone exactly why they need to enter, right? And everyone's pretty much entering it, not because they're following me, but because they're being educated with why the fuck they should be entering. And it's just such clear, concrete evidence that you get to think for yourself and decide if you want to take the trade, right? And then here you go. Bam! It goes right. Right? And then look at this. Look what everyone says. Once again, Phil, you kill it. You're always right, mate. Bam! Fuck yeah, me too. Great, you sick bastard. Bam, good job, Philicon. I'm out already. Yup, bam, bam. Everyone's making trades. Quick trade, fucking got it. I'm out as well. Hell yeah, bro. Got out too early. I'm out. Nice one. Nice support. $300 USD profit. Thanks, bro. Fucking impressive. Thank you, mama whale. Bam. It goes on and on and on and on and on like that. And today, I'm up $3,600 in 24 hours of trading. Whew. You know how good this feels to be able to manage this group, guys? Bam, it feels so good right now. Check this out, guys. 382 Fibonacci level resistance right here. This is one I can't tweet. Resistance, but more importantly, we're right there. Right there. And also the apex breakdown of the rejection. Right? You guys see this? The apex breakdown. It's hard to see. Right there. That one there where it tries to go up and then gets rejected down. So that's why I'm thinking it's going to probably get rejected pretty hard right now soon. No. Oh shit. Right up there maybe? Okay, I'm gonna go for a little bit more. Right up there, this resistance, I'm gonna short it, okay? Right there. I'm gonna average it out. And it's gonna be really nice. I'm gonna do it right now, 20,000. Adding it in there, not bad here. Okay, I'm in now for 10,000. Let's see if I can actually get a little bit more of a average here. Down $67 or so, not that much. If I can get it at 671 or 271, that'd be amazing. 271, 10,000. Actually, let's market execute 10,000. 10,000, market execute it. Raise our base price right there. That's pretty decent to me. Let's see if I can go any more. 5,000, sure. I'll just do this to the max. Get the best possible price. Get a really quick scalp at 265. Right? 26. Actually 265. Yeah. 5. Oh, fuck. I'm rush. I'm gonna buy right there. Right there. That's gonna be a quick profit. I'm at 40.71. So if it closes, I don't know what the fuck that's gonna be. But 40.71. 40.71. Yeah! 40.71. 40.71. $130 in like, how many seconds was that, guys? Oh my, did I enter in front of you guys? I don't even remember. Oh my god, that was a 20-second trade. That was a 20-second trade for $160. Was that not good short? Guys, that's just called skills. Fucking skills, man. Right? Did you see my... Okay. I'm gonna calm down for a moment. Okay, I'll make another video to show you guys my logic behind it. See what I mean by ones you can't share?